Bodega Boys.
Good morning, America. Michael Bloomberg, myself, and the rest of my campaign would like to inform you on all my supporters that I will be suspending my campaign immediately. I apologize. I had $50 billion. I was kind of bored, so I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna run for president. You know, what could go wrong? But apparently, they don't allow apple boxes over 3 feet at the debates, and therefore I perform poorly. So I will just continue my battle against large sodas and trans fats. I don't support anybody except Money. If Money was running for the presidency, I would support that. But shout out to my man Donito Trumpito. You know, I'll see you at the secret casino on Epstein Island. I've said too much already. This is the Bodega Boys, episode 192. Now I will say that in Spanish. Esto es buenamente, Bodega Hivo. De estar muy bueno, Jesus bueno, the El Niño Mero Gudo Podcasto. Episodio número 192. Enjoy. I will now go on to continue to dominate AM radio. Everybody have a nice day. Please stay away from cherry cokes. Thank you. Excuse me. Por favor, hacer el drapo ahora. Jokio Hassan, por favor. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Welcome to the world only. Welcome to episode 192 of Bodega Boys, the only podcast that is currently coronavirus free.
That's
so
right.
Big up ourselves.
Shout out to us, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody, shout out to Justin, shout out to Hans. Victor and Diana very suspiciously left the room.
We have quarantined ourselves. We're staying. We're not getting any viruses.
Maybe it's something we don't know.
Coronavirus lives in Victor's hair. People don't know that. Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Milk Studio. Shout out to the Jam Room, where we come to you live once again with that fire art.
Flavor.
Hot like Chipotle coming out your butt.
That's right.
Also, if you eat that new queso at Chipotle, you live in wrong, bro.
You live in super wrong. You live in super wrong.
That shit,
they don't make lactose wrong enough.
That shit ain't. Listen. That shit, the cheese be taunting you. They be like, you can't eat me.
Go ahead.
I'll fuck you up.
Go ahead.
I'll fuck you up.
Go ahead.
Look at your little weak ass intestines.
It's like when you in class in high school shit, and the high school bully walk past the class, we just look at you through the window,
like,
yeah, nigga, I dare you.
Yeah,
I dare you. Taste me.
I don't know. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's not. I can't try it. I can't lose a whole night just on toilet.
Lactate's like, yo, you wildin', bro.
Yeah,
I could only do so much.
Cause like they be like, you want sour cream? You got that split second. You're like,
it's gonna take a little bit of the edge off, and it's gonna complement each other. But goddamn,
do I got something to do tomorrow?
Yeah, shit's not gonna compliment my butthole.
And then the next morning your stomach's hurting. You're like, what did I do to deserve this? Oh my god, it hurts. I'm dying.
Do you wanna die?
How's doodle cold and hot at the same time? Oh god.
Yo, when you got doodle on the back of the toilet, shit was serious.
Yeah.
Shit was serious. When you flush and it's like water doesn't go there.
Yeah. But I was like, yo, big man, you gotta move.
Yo,
like,
my man, we at capacity.
Yo, if your doodle got velocity, nah, man. Nah, you're not eating right. It should just drop straight down. It shouldn't be it shouldn't have like a pilot like, yeah, we're now approaching LaGuardia Airport.
We are.
Just brace yourself for impact.
Yeah, we're experiencing a little turbulence here going through the rectum. Just hold on to your seats.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing. Just see all the corn in your Judas strap.
Oh shit, it's about to go down. Goddamn.
Oh, nasty. Nasty or sushi? A little bit of both.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
was that sexual? Maybe.
To some people it was.
You know what I'm saying?
If you're in the scat
You know what I'm
play.
saying? That's
Scat. I'm not talking about that jazz.
Pee
Well,
on
if
me,
jazz
pee
is
on
called
you.
scat, I mean, oh shit. Oh fuck. She broke the quarantine.
Yo,
oh, fuck.
shit, no, yo, CTU.
If the people that was doing jazz scat, were they also doing scat? Were they scatting while they were doing scat?
That's how they got
Like
it.
shitting on niggas
They were
like,
like, yo,
salt peanuts.
milkshake.
That's just gross. That's just gross and problematic and childish. We should do better. Should we?
Yeah,
Do people want better?
Yeah, no, they don't. They do
want
not.
this.
They do not want us to do better.
Shout out to everyone washing their hands.
Yo, shout out to
Very
you.
big.
Shout out to all the experts on coronavirus.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? On social media, I couldn't have done it without you. I did not know that I needed to cover my mouth when I cough. I did not. I didn't. Did you? Did they teach you that in kindergarten? I didn't teach you that in kindergarten.
I went to a segregated kindergarten.
It was wild, right? They don't teach you these things like how cover your mouth when you sneeze, how to tie your shoes, things like basic life skills.
No, we were really poor. We didn't have hands.
Yeah,
So we couldn't
it was
cover our
wild.
mouth when we coughed.
We didn't have hands till high school.
Yeah.
How the fuck were we supposed to know?
Growing up in the slums eating 5 cent
You know what I'm
gums.
saying?
Didn't know where your next meal coming from.
They were like, "Yo, go to trade school." You know what I'm saying? Avoid the virus.
They're like, yeah.
Like what? Like that doesn't make any sense, Dr. Bornstein.
Yo, go to secretary school.
Yeah,
That's
it'll
how
be
you
good for
avoid
you.
all that.
You type. I see here that you could type 72 words per minute. You would make an excellent executive assistant.
You know, you look like a Dominican Mavis Beacon.
That's right.
You know? Oh, another one broke the quarantine.
The seal is broken.
Oh.
Yo,
Hassan, drop the vaccine, bro.
Yo.
A lot of people don't know the vaccine for coronavirus is freestyle music.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Can you feel the beat within my heart?
No, I'm serious. My sister's a nurse, and I called her, and there was like mad Brenda K. Star in the background playing in the emergency room. I was like, what's going on? She was like, oh, it's like a pandemic. There's mad people here.
Yeah.
Niggas
Stevie B's like, I
dying.
told you, nigga. See?
Yeah.
I told you.
She's like, Dr. Stevie B, they need you.
You didn't believe me, right?
What were you doing in the drug room?
Well, I mean, I was just checking out making sure that everything was okay. That's right.
I feel
Give him 500 cc's of Brenda K. Star stat.
Oh, I feel better. I still believe.
Someday you and me, we'll fight this virus together.
Brenda K. Star.
Yo.
That sounds like a good attorney.
That sounds like an attorney on a billboard at Longwood on the 6th train.
Did you get arrested with a gun called Brenda K. Star?
Call Brenda K. Star. She's saying it with like
1-800 burner.
I'm like, yo, you got cleavage, man. I'm like, I don't know.
You sexy lawyers are not good. Sorry. That's classist. That's egregious. But it's true.
It is. You know what?
True.
Just for safety. You know what I'm saying? But yo, if I'm like, yo, I would smash.
Yeah, if your lawyer walks to the courtroom and niggas is like, yo, like, no.
Yeah.
Judge looking like, yo, Your Honor, he's like, can you approach the bench with your yeeks?
Like, girl, you thinking of some cold farina.
You know what? I'm gonna hold you in contempt. Oh, this dick.
Judge Brown.
Judge Brown, like, can you approach the bench so I can smell your pussy?
Please.
You know,
See what that thing smell like.
you know what? So you saying she owe you $200? This ain't $200 pussy.
No, not at all. I think she owe you. I think you owe her about $17.86.
I think if anything, she might owe you money. And then the guy comes from around the corner and high fives and shit.
He's like,
They start doing the Cupid shuffle.
Bailiff is just like, yeah.
Go Mathis. Go Mathis.
Pop. Niggas to the love.
Mathis doing the renegade dance. Like, fuck it up, Mathis.
Oh shit.
Yo, shout out to Michael Bloomberg, as you heard in the intro, dropped out.
Dropped out.
Shout out to Judge Judy, who probably ruined her legacy by doing commercials for him.
Yo.
Like, you're both mad rich.
Why do you need to do this?
I'm like, Judge Judy, I just watch you for Judge Judy shit. I don't want.
That's it.
There's no Judge Judy fix my life.
Yo, but the wild shit about Judge Judy is that she was a family court. She was like the low key, like wild racist family court judge, and she was just like breaking up wild families.
Yep.
Like, yo, like Tyrone, huh?
That's what your mother named you?
Yeah.
Take him away.
Take him away.
Take him away.
He looks like he smokes reefer. I see it in his face.
Oh.
How do you do your hair like that? How long does this take?
Why does it grow like that?
Huh?
Is it soft?
Can I touch it? Bailiff, bring him to the front. I want to touch his hair.
It looks like when I scrub my pots with.
I seen her in like street clothes, like
Yeah.
like a paparazzi shot, bro. She looked like every lunch lady ever. Like if you ever seen your lunch lady out in the street, that's what she looked
Which
like.
was super confusing as a kid. You were like, yo, they don't
you're-
live in the school?
Like you, that's your thing. Like
That's
you're-
fucking crazy.
Yo, you got a life?
I remember I saw a teacher on the bus, and I was like to my mother, I was like, yo,
Look,
she broke out.
yo, should we say something?
That's crazy.
Call the cops.
That's crazy. I was like, yeah, when we leave, all the teachers get their blankets and they go to sleep in the class that they teach them.
Yeah.
They just
They
sleep on
put
the
two
desk.
desks together.
Yeah.
They put two desks together and they fall asleep.
It was always confusing if it was like a snow day and like your teachers weren't able to make it to school. You was like, what? Or even more confusing if your teacher that always dressed up came to school in like boots and jeans.
Yo,
You were
you're like, yo, Mr. Isaacson.
Mr. Finkelstein owns jeans?
What the
What
freak?
the fuck?
I had
Wow.
to say free because Mr. Finkelstein's serious about bad words.
Yeah. Also, he wants us to talk in complete sentences.
And it was always the wild high waisted mom jeans
Or
too.
the straight Wranglers.
You already know.
Yeah.
With the U. Hold that fupa in, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's it.
Shout out to my guy, Mr. Isaacson, coming through with the Grateful Dead t-shirt and the tucked in mom jeans with the wild fupa. I respect it, because that's going to be a look.
That is a look.
Billie Eilish is going to be rocking that next, like, in 2 months.
Are Fupa's in? Fupa's back in?
You know what I'm saying?
Fupa's
bringing
never
it-
been out.
Never been out.
All Fupa is just like the plastic container.
Yes.
When you bring home like doggy snacks.
Yes.
You just lift
For
that
good
lid.
pussy.
You lift that lid.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to eat them wings.
Yeah. This is going to hit right.
Uh-huh. That's the leftovers. You just leave them on the table. You don't even let them get cold.
Nah, you're like, I know I'm gonna eat this later like a
fuck that.
savage.
I'm going to eat it before food poisoning. I don't give a shit. Eat that shit at 2 a.m. over the sink. Yeah.
Y'all, but just pick out this. There's one little green dye. It's all
Yes.
good. Fuck
You know
it.
what? I'm going to have just 1/4 of a quesadilla. Just nasty. Just eating at night. My cat be looking at me like, this nigga at it again.
Wow.
This nigga, watch, he gonna be in the bathroom. He goes to my dog. He be like, watch, he gonna be in the bathroom mad long in the morning. Watch.
You know how dogs respond to like dishes, like their dish making any type
Any
of
noise.
Yo, I'll be up 3:30 in the morning, and I'm eating the most foul shit. And like, yo, to your point, I'll just be sitting there putting like Nutella on a croissant, and then
Yeah.
peanut butter and fluff and some some other shit.
On some
and
high
Brandon's
guy
just
shit,
like,
yeah.
yo, word,
Be
Like,
nice
yo.
if we could both eat.
yo, like you could get me a little lit. You know what I'm saying?
I
With
mean,
that hazelnut.
I don't want to be that guy, but my ribs is touching. So, you know, what's up?
You got me in that pro plan.
You know?
You know what I'm saying? Like
Wow.
you just eat whatever
Wow.
you want.
That's wild. Your food doesn't come out in little round balls that are brown.
Wow.
That's wild.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you get to pick.
Oh, yours is warm. Whoa. Wow. You living good. You living good.
You're not just
Wow.
eating cold slabs of meat.
Wow.
Oh shit. Okay.
That's wild.
Wow. Must be nice.
Must be real nice.
fucking dick.
Your dog is sit- That's what your dog is thinking when he's sitting over you in the morning. You're like, oh, he loves me. Oh, good morning. Like, what the fuck up, pussy?
fucking
Yo, what the
asshole.
fuck up, come walk me and pick my shit up.
Nigga.
Nigga, I run this fucking house.
Dick.
Nigga.
I just watch you eat fucking good, delicious fucking hot eggs.
Matter of fact,
You know how hungry I was? You nigga, you gave me cereal with no milk.
it do be dry. It do be dry. Your dog, if they do that thing where they can lift one eyebrow and they're like, oh.
I used to see English dog eating this shit like
When
yo.
the dog eats it, looks at you like,
Like, yo,
nigga,
motherfucker.
watch.
You could throw
Watch.
some water over this
When we
shit?
do this dog revolution,
You
niggas,
first.
we gonna switch this shit up. Because watch, when those dogs hear, you just hear a
Yeah.
fire truck going by, it's like, get all confused and shit. Come back like, what was I talking about?
What?
What happened? Man, you know what?
no, you know
There's
what?
a toy over there. I'm gonna go chew on it.
Oh shit.
Dogs, they lose their concentration mad fast.
I'm
They're
thirsty.
Like, they're like, yo, I'm about to kick his fucking ass.
What?
Someone's at the door. Someone's at the door.
Yo,
Someone's
emergency,
at the door. Someone's at
emergency.
the door. Someone's trying to break in. Someone's trying to break in. I'm like, who? Someone's walking by the door. Could you relax?
About your sister.
Nah, nigga, yo, niggas, yo,
Keep your head on a swivel, dog.
Okay.
See, you getting soft.
you know what I'm saying?
You getting soft. I'm not pussy, nigga.
Nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Wish
I know.
niggas- Dog, what are dogs barking at other dogs? Like, yo, come in here. I got that thing. Yo,
Yo,
nigga,
I
I'll fuck
dare
you
you.
up.
Yo, I dare you.
Yo, I
Yo.
run this apartment. Yo, 4C don't got shit on me. Like, you're like, all right.
Shout out to my old neighbor's dog, Gizmo, who is also a Shih Tzu, but our windows were like 15 feet apart.
Uh-huh.
And like the dogs were barking at each other through the window and just be going ham for like 40 minutes straight. I'm like,
You're
yo.
like, what can you
What do
possibly
y'all
saying?
like? What do y'all want? Yo, do y'all want to fight? Do y'all want to fuck?
Fuck,
like,
do you
what do you
wanna play?
want? Like, what?
And then dogs are weird because like you'll let them play with each other and they'll sniff each other's butt and they'll be like cool for a second and they're like and you don't know if they're playing or they're really trying to kill each other, so you just gotta pull them away.
Yeah. I'm like, especially if they're small. Like I know, like a big ass dog. Like I know when my brother's dog was like was playing and not
Blueberry?
playing. Yeah,
Yeah, shout out
I
to
was
Blueberry.
like, yeah, shout out to Blueberry. I know when you're playing and when you're not playing because you're big as shit.
Yeah.
But little dogs, it's like, oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at them. Oh,
Hey,
they're so
the little teeth
playful.
are-
It's like, oh wait, oh shit, no, you know, oh, you just ripped his nuts off.
Shout out to Blueberry. I remember I came to your house and Blueberry just caught me in the hallway and put his paw on my shoulder and was
Oh.
like, hey, big man.
Oh my god,
Party foul.
Oh,
It's a party
shit.
foul.
God damn.
Damn. This is the first time Miro's ever spilled it.
Fuck. And I needed, this caffeine was so
Yeah.
necessary. Oh no, I don't pull out.
Doc, can you get a towel or something over here? Before it reaches the computer. Oh my God. We're under pressure.
I'll sacrifice my body.
Drink it off the table. Get that coronavirus, bro.
Yo,
Get that coronavirus.
yo, you know this shit is serious when you see hood niggas using Priol.
This nigga spilled the coke. This is every drug dealer's nightmare. This is the worst episode of Narcos ever.
Speaking of losing drugs,
Bro, cut it up, bro. Yeah, come on, bro. Do a line, bro.
bro, come on, bro.
Come on, coke is it when you're
Try
on
it,
line,
bro.
bro.
Come on.
Come on.
Bro, come on.
It's a little diva fuel. Get the party started.
Bro, I'm like, how do you know this shit is good, bro? You don't try it.
Come on.
Like, come on, bro.
Just say no. Just say blow.
Come on, dog.
Come on, bro.
Come on.
Come on. Remember? Come on. Come on, bro. Remember when we went to happy ending in the bathroom in the back? Come on.
Ah!
This is getting right, bro. Remember, it was me, you, and that,
Yeah,
Shorty.
Yeah.
Shorty with the big nostrils.
Yeah,
She snorted up 2 lines and walked away. I was
She
like,
was
what are you
wild.
doing,
She
bitch?
was wild. I was like, yo, this lady's fucking cutting up coke with a library card. She's wild. But I know she's smart.
That's true. What's the proper thing to use to cut up coke now? Is it like a Metro card?
It's like a credit card,
Yeah.
I think it's like, I think it's a flex if you use a credit card.
Yeah. Do people still have credit cards? Don't people have I guess so. Yeah.
You know
That
what I'm
makes
saying?
sense.
Imagine cutting up coke with like your iPhone. If you have like Apple Pay, that's a flex.
Yeah. All right, hold on.
Clean up by 6. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yo. Damn, that's a fucking. Let's have a moment of silence for this can of coke that like was full of caffeine and was giving me a little boost. You know. But it's gone now. And with it, the caffeine. But you know what? This is for the Bodega Hive. We don't need PEDs. We do it for the love.
Is caffeine a PED? I don't think so. Caffeine just gets you right, bro.
I feel like if you have to say something gets you right, it's a PED.
That might be true.
It's just like a rule of thumb.
That's like Elizababeth Warren. She's just drinking orange juice in the morning. Like, yeah, I fucking needed that, bro.
Yeah, it gets you right.
Medicaid for all. She probably drinks cranberry juice. We get like the wild, but cranberry juice for Elizabeth Warren is like Hennessy.
Woo!
She be taking her shirt off. She said on tables like, let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Warren gang.
Yeah.
Remember when that was on Deej and Mero?
Yeah, remember
Fucking
that?
go.
Yeah, we
What
helped
the
them.
heck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what the freaking heck?
Frick. Put on the clean version of Megan Thee Stallion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Damn. Yo, poor Meg, dog.
Yeah.
Yo, listen, man. It
Bad deals.
Yo, listen, it can happen to you.
Listen.
It's a cautionary tale, you know what I'm saying? Like, listen, I'm
Didn't
like
5 Core Quest industry rule number 4080.
Record company people are shady.
Yeah.
So, kid, what you buy? Because I think they smoke crack.
And that's the people like she's
Look
too
at how
young to
they
know
act.
that version, but she knows Q-Tip.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
just, which is crazy, like how But shout out to everyone on Twitter that knows everything about the Megan Thee Stallion
Of
situation.
course.
Everyone's lawyers now.
Oh yeah,
And I would just like
Everybody's,
to-
they know everything about the RIAA and like recording
Right.
and masters and
I'm just like,
publishing and
how do you know so much about contracts? And 2 years ago, you were in Wake Up Now, Herbalife,
Yeah.
Motor Club.
Yeah. Oh.
I've seen you for like a lot of people on Twitter fell for scams, and then like they had the shit in the bio and they was tweeting the shit all the time, and then one day it just got quiet.
It just got
got real quiet.
It just disappeared off the bio.
You know, no more photos saying
Yeah.
you should be here.
Nope.
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 No more of that.
They got rid of that shit like a
Okay. All right.
It's like a thief of the night.
All right.
man.
No
Like a-
more buy your Herbalife from me. It's sad because every now and then you'll come across someone who just got into something like either Bitcoin or Forex trading. And I'm just like, fam,
Fam,
this shit has been around for like 50 years. No one's gotten rich off this shit. What
Not
makes you
yet.
think
You're the guy.
you are the guy?
You're the guy. You're the guy that's gonna crack the code.
So sorry if you guys are still working. I'm investing in Bitcoin.
Yeah. I took a limitless pill. Like, yo, get the fuck out of here, man.
I have Bitcoin, and it's like I don't even check on it. I'm like, what?
yo.
Like, it's just there.
Yeah, just wait for the fucking like news thing to be like, yo, Bitcoin is valued at $85 billion. Be like, all right, cool, cash out, I'm done.
I'm just keeping it just in case the government falls and we gotta like use that as actual money.
Yeah.
I'll use that to buy my family's freedom.
Or like that terrible Justin Timberlake movie where they use like time as like currency. That was such a bad movie. Oh my God.
That's one of those movies you see the trailer, you're like, oh, this looks good. And you think about it, you're like, not so much.
Yeah,
Not so much. It doesn't need to be a full movie.
Yeah, yeah.
It could have been like
exactly.
It could have been like a 2-minute Twitter sketch.
This could have been an episode of Black Mirror, but you made it into a 2-hour feature-length film. Mm-hmm. You didn't need to do that.
Whatever happened to Black Mirror? Black Mirror came in hard and just flopped.
Yeah, bro. It was a supernova.
Which fell off more, Game of Thrones or Black Mirror?
Oh man, I would say Black Mirror because Black Mirror season 2 was already a dub. Like Game of
Black
Thrones.
Mirror?
Well, no. What was the last season?
The last one was season 5, which was terrible. It was only like 3 episodes.
The one with that was the one with Miley.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. No. I'll give it to Black Mirror by a nose hair just because Game of Thrones was good up until the last season. Last season was absolute garbage.
But the last season was so bad, it ruined the legacy of Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
So, like, you don't even hear people talking about Game of Thrones anymore. Matter of fact, and I'm saying this, I want to be claro. Go through your Twitter bio. You still got, like, House of Dren, whatever, and this of her name and all that. Get that shit out of there, man.
No, you don't.
Come on, get your life together.
You don't got Queen of Southern Boulevard on your shit no more.
Queen of Maryland.
No.
House of Politico. Like,
Yeah,
come on, Mom.
no,
Like, we off that, bro. Come on. Just go back to old Twitter bios.
Yes.
Say, I love Christ.
Right,
You
yeah.
know, say whoever you're dating. Put the person you're dating in your Twitter bio so you know not to waste time following you.
You know what I'm saying?
All right?
Put their at, not their name.
Yeah.
Don't be like, yo, me and Malik. No, put at. You know what I'm saying?
Owned
Malik.
by only lovely one bazooka.
Yeah, with
And then
a
you
little
go on
lock
his page,
emoji.
He's like, oh, my sweet boo is Kitty77. And like, oh, look at these corny couples. Block and block.
Yeah.
Block and block. They should have a Twitter that's only for people in relationships.
They should.
Yeah.
Because it's like, yo, fam, like I've
talk
seen
about
enough.
relationship shit.
I've seen enough.
Go talk about like what's happy in life.
And that's the thing. I was like, I love to not do that because it's like, yo, fam, there's plenty of people out there in relationships. Like, I don't need to add to the fray.
Yeah,
like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
also, like, your relationship is your relationship. Why? Like, who's saying you should be giving advice? Because some people, you might have friends and they give relationship advice. You want to be like, nigga, that's not applying in your life.
That is not.
All right?
Yo.
Has your girl allowed you to come home yet?
For real.
He's like, this is how you please your woman. And I was like, you still sleeping in your DirecTV van?
Sir?
Get your shit together.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? I'm going to talk to Sheila.
Wait for her to leave so you can shower?
Okay. How you going to fuck the daycare center worker?
You drop this nigga there every day, bro.
This nigga got his dick sucked at Little Stars Daycare.
Yo, that's crazy.
He's trying to eat like dinner at their house. He's like, oh shit.
Oh
shit.
oh my God.
We doing this? Oh shit. Fuck.
Super uncomfortable.
Super
like,
uncomfortable.
Okay.
All right.
Shit.
You gotta look at your boo and be like, I'm calling the Uber.
That's the most, as a dude in a relationship, that is the most uncomfortable situation to be in. Because it's like, yo, in that moment, it's like, yo, y'all are gonna be mad at me. When we go home, she's gonna be mad at me.
Because that's my fault.
It's bad all the way around.
Fault.
And I didn't have your back and da-da-da-da-da. No, bitch, you were drunk. You were drunk. You were fucking incorrigibly drunk or whatever the fuck. You know what I'm saying? Whatever circumstances. And like, yo, you were wilding. And I had to check you and I had to bring you back to the crib.
Yeah.
Don't be mad at me. Like, yo, that's my job.
I wasn't drunk.
You know what I'm saying?
I wasn't drunk.
And that's the number one. I wasn't
even. I was a little tipsy. I wasn't drunk.
I wasn't drunk. Drunk?
You want to see drunk? You were drunk.
Yeah.
You were drunk.
You were fucking drunk. You're the fucking drunk.
I don't get drunk.
You're the one that fucking drinks 2 fucking drinks and you're fucking falling all over the place.
How dare you? How dare you?
Yeah.
How dare you?
And you smoke weed.
Yeah.
I don't even smoke.
Okay, so you can't.
So you're drinking and smoking weed.
Okay, that's double. You're double worser.
Yeah.
And when they start making a word. I'm like, all right. You're double worser, You should have my back. That's not romantical. And I'm like, oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Dr. Phil time.
Yeah. And in the morning when they're sober and they know they fucked up, they try to be nice to you.
Yeah.
You come to the table and there's breakfast. You're like,
oh my God.
Oh, you know you fucked up,
And
right?
she's quiet.
Yeah.
And she's like,
Yo.
I'm sorry about yesterday.
You want something to drink?
Want something to drink? And then just keep moving the conversation forward. You're like,
Hold on.
No, we are gonna have a discussion.
I gotta unload this drink on you first, man. Because you were driving like Jeff Gordon last night. I was fearing for my life.
I remember my ex-girlfriend, yo, she had a night, nigga. Like, I've never seen anyone first of all, we brought like 2 huge bottles of Moscato to the party. That should let you know the shit was gonna be wild.
Oh no.
She got mad drunk. Then she like went to the bathroom and like passed out. There was one bathroom for the whole house party. So there's mad people knocking on the door. They're like, yo, get your girl. And I was like, because we already had been fighting because she pre-gamed and we took the wrong train there. And I was like yelling at her on the platform and she was threatening to throw down the Moscato and make a scene. And I'm like, I wish you would. So that we're already tight. So I have to like basically break down the door to wake her up. And she's wild. And she's like, don't fucking play me in front of these people. I'm not drunk. Da, da, da. And I ended up just taking her to the bedroom. I threw her on the bed. I just laid on top of her. And I was like, I'm gonna get off you and you calm down. And she was so mad. I was like, no, you're fucking wildin'.
This man is a hero.
Okay?
This man is
I was
a
like,
hero.
you're wildin'. So then like, she was like, get off me. I don't want you. We're breaking up. And I was like, all right, we're doing the drunk breakup. All right, fine.
Okay, fine. Yo, yeah, we're broken up.
Fast forward 20 minutes later, I'm in another room just casually talking to some girl. Not no romantic shit. I was just like, yeah, the party's whatever. She was like, comes up and was like, bitch, you trying to steal my man? And tries to fight the girl. And I was like, yo, she got so wild, she passed out and I had to carry her into the car and then carry her home and put her in the bed. And like she woke up in the morning and was like, I don't remember a lot about that. I was like, look at your iPhone.
So let me tell you. Let me remind you.
I was like, look at your iPhone. Her iPhone was all cracked and broken. I was like,
need I say more?
Need I say more? I was like, bitch, you drank more than me. I don't even know how that's physically possible. Like, I was about to be your sponsor. Like, Jesus.
Oh my God. Yo.
And then you got to keep bringing up shit that she said all over the course of the day.
Yeah.
She's like, yo, you want to get dinner? Oh, I forgot. We broke up yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
remember that?
So I guess we're going Dutch.
Yeah. Hope you got a credit card saved on your Seamless.
Yo, have I had the audacity to drink 2 fucking Texas-sized margaritas at BBQs with the extra Patron shot and then get up all wobbly and be like, I'm not drunk. I was like, yo, I was like, pardon my language, but bitch, if you don't get in that passenger seat and put that seatbelt on,
Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house.
I was like, yo, fucking crazy.
But
Bitch,
to be fair though,
Yo.
BBQ's drunk is different. That
Yo.
shit creeps up on you.
Yo, what?
You just minding your business because it's not like, you know, when you're drinking, you're like, oh, I feel a little tingle. BBQ drunk is like, it's like waiting to jump you. It's like, yeah, wait for this nigga.
Yeah.
Ah, here she comes.
Then alcohol is
It's like, yo, we're gonna jump for like an hour. Ah,
She come around the corner. She come around the corner.
What up now, bitch? And then, your brain's just like, I'm gonna need
fight back, nigga. Fight back.
I'm gonna need it, man.
Yeah, nigga. You pussy.
It's like that Vice video where they jump in the nigga to join the Crips. And your brain be all wobbly and shit. Brain be like,
Yo, good. Am I good?
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
Yo, I don't know.
Yo, I want hot wings and real hip hop. Yo, what the fuck, bro? Shit, bro.
Is there a restaurant that has hot wings and real hip hop out there?
Bistro. Shout out to
Yo,
Bistro.
shout out to Bistro.
Bistro. They got
You know
real
what I'm
hip hop. They
saying?
got
Hip-hop.
hot wings.
You know what
Good
I'm
hot
saying?
wings too. I'm very picky about my hot wings. I'm not gonna lie. I've become very picky about food even though I don't eat. So, you know,
Are you a drums or a flats guy?
I'm a chicken guy. Okay?
Respect.
I see that on Twitter. People are like, I don't eat flats. I don't eat drums. I was like, excuse me, 1%.
Wow.
All right. Let me go to Crown Fried Chicken and be like, let me just get flats. They're gonna be like, you know what? Fuck this motherfucker, girl. They come from around the corner with the bat.
Yo, niggas just sit in the little spinning bulletproof thing, spin himself around and come out and slap you in your face.
That's wild disrespectful. I love when you're at Crown Fried Chicken and people come in with very specific orders, and it's just like, yo, fam, this is not Burger King.
Yo.
It's not have it your way.
My son, mama,
Niggas like, yo, let me get, I got fresh oil, and yo, let me get the fried chicken, fried light, and let me see.
Niggas just sitting there pretending he's listening.
He's just pretending he's listening, and then he's like, okay,
yes.
snack box.
You see my man come wild disrespectful with the tongues, like bloop bloop. Here you go.
They'll be like, oh yeah. Yo, what soda you want?
Oh,
You know, you look like a tab nigga.
yeah. Yo, niggas just grab whatever. Yo, whatever's they have the most of. I'm like, niggas really don't respect you if they throw ginger ale in there.
Yeah.
They got no respect for you.
And you're like, what selection? They're like, we got Fanta, Tab, Mr. Pibb, and Zima. I'm like, when the fuck did you? When was the last time you
what
looked at your
happened,
sodas, Aki?
Niggas just throw the Fanta Capis flavor in there. Feel like, yo, fuck out of here.
I'll be like, you know what? I'll take the Fanta. And then you know every Crown Fried Chicken got the one Arabian guy who loves to say the N-word.
Oh,
Yo, my nigga, that's 575. You like
it's his son. It's his
like,
homie's
nigga,
son.
like,
Yeah,
you don't even use it.
And he got the blood.
We don't use N-words like that. We're like, yo, you just use it. Yo, my nigga, I got your nigga cheese sandwich, nigga. I'm like,
nigga cheese sandwich.
like, relax.
Like, yo,
Aki,
dude, I fuck with you, my G, but
you wildin'.
you wildin'.
And then you got the ones that were raised here, mad young. And you remember when they was in the store like a 2-year-old and shit, and now they like 15. They like, yo, what's up, bitch?
And they running
Yo,
this
let me
shit.
come over. Like, yo, what's up? You gonna let me fuck you? And I'm like,
Yo,
yo, Junior Aki, you a wildin'. He's like, nah, you wildin', my nigga. Like, what's up? You want these fucking nigga blunt wraps, nigga?
Yo, they got nigga flavor
They got
now.
nigga flavor. Oh,
Yo,
but shout out to all the bodega workers.
He's
Now
a
they
wild
gotta-
boy.
Now they got to deal with the plastic bag ban.
the band, the unfair band.
We got to remake Rubber Band Man. No, Rubber Band Man.
Rubber bag man.
No, Duffel
Wow,
Bag Boy. Duffel Bag Boy. Plastic paper bag boy.
Oh, come on, counting money, little paper bag boy.
Coming from the. Those paper bags are hella weak.
They're First of all,
They break mad easy.
Also, you can't you can't. The good thing about plastic bags is you could take 15 of them shits up in one shot and be done.
Yep.
With a paper bag, what are you gonna do? It's like the fucking infomercials where the
Yeah,
guys like,
it was like,
whoa, oranges
Wacky
and bananas
bag.
are going everywhere.
Yeah.
Whoa, schmackety, whoa.
And people were just like, "Oh, we have to save the earth," and I was like, "It's kind of too late."
Like, yeah, I mean,
It's kind of like a relationship. Like, yo, if you walk in on your girl and she's smoking crack on the couch, like, some things can't be fixed.
yeah,
You know, like,
we've passed that line.
Past that line.
Yeah,
You know?
smoking crozes on the couch.
You know,
Like,
if you come home and you're like, "Yo, where's my box spring?" and she's like, "I pawned it to start my OnlyFans." Like, ma, like, you really gonna do an OnlyFans with your mattress on the floor?
Yo, but here's the rub.
Our new show, Miro Presents The Rub, coming to the E Network.
With the OnlyFans, is a lot of niggas are tight because it's like, yo, they'll follow somebody thinking that they're gonna get a certain type of content and get a much more less sucio content, and they get upset, and then they want their money back. But it's like too late, nigga. Like, you already signed up. You knew what it was when you signed up. You know what I'm saying?
Are you just talking about a random experience on Twitter, or are we talking from experience?
I can't. I can't do OnlyFans.
You can't only do OnlyFans?
I can't do it. I feel it feels weird.
Yeah.
It feels like, yo, I'm paying for a streaming service that only has one show. You know what I'm saying?
That's a good point.
Imagine you pay for Netflix and all they got is Narcos.
Yeah.
And that's you
Yeah.
kind of fuck with it, but you
But
don't.
not like
You're
that.
not like that.
My thing is, like, after a while, like, you're tired of seeing this shit.
Like, exactly.
I'm like, yo, how many
You're
times
like,
how many times I'm gonna watch you jill off, ma?
Are
Like,
you gonna have a cameo?
like,
for
do some
somebody?
shit, tap
Some
dance,
shit?
do
like,
some shit.
something, bitch.
and then they try to switch it up. They're like, yo, tonight I'll be making chicken. I'm like, no, we're not watching this.
no.
There was one chick, not that I followed. And she was
You
like,
heard some things.
she was like, tonight we're making spaghetti. And I was like, all right, because it was, yo,
Spaghetti night.
she was like, all right, so when the pasta boils, what you want to do
What?
is come with the ragu. I was like,
Wow.
yo, she didn't make the sauce from. I was like, that's probably why she got an OnlyFans though.
You was gassing. She was about to bring out the extra virgin olive oil.
I mean, she had like mad onions and stuff. Like she was about to chop it up, and she just put the ragu. And I was like,
and chop us some hot dogs, and we're done.
I turned to Krista Stefano. I was like, what happened to my nana sauce?
Yo, what the fuck is going on here? Oh my god!
You buy sauce?
What's going on here? Oh my god!
Black people call it gravy.
Whoa, that's for the fucking these fucking guys. The mixing the fucking bouillons and the fucking these guys. The fucking whatever the fuck's over there.
And there was another video of a different girl, and it ended up on like Pornhub or whatever. And Shorty was like mad flustered in it. She was like, "Hi, OnlyFans. I know I owe you a video, so I'm gonna do it right now." She was like in the driveway. She just like rubbed it out, And she was like, all right, thank you, goodbye. And like,
Wow.
I guess she went to work.
She had a bad day at work.
Yeah, don't give me like begrudging content.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you want to see my pussy? All right, fine.
whatever, nigga, here.
Fine. Hey, OnlyFans, here's a titty. You happy?
Yo.
You happy?
Stupid.
Fine.
It's like at work too. It's like under a cardigan and shit.
It's like, hey, OnlyFans, look.
Yo,
Boom.
I got-
All right, you happy?
Stupid. I got the underwire mark under it and shit. Like,
But then you got a guy like,
Your OnlyFans is $23.99 a month. You're only dropping 5 pieces of content per week. So if you divide that, that comes up to almost something about, I'm going to say $7.
you want content, nigga?
I mean, that's what I'm paying
All right,
for.
so shut the fuck up. I'm gonna put a feet video later when I get home because my fucking feet hurt. Fucking at
it's just
CVS.
her feet bad rub. She's just rubbing them like, ah,
Damn, this shit hurt.
that shit hurt. You want to
Yo.
see it, you nasty nigga?
Yo, you nasty motherfuckers. Look, I'm gonna put them in water
Yeah.
and put ice on top.
She's just sitting there in the wild TT Rite Aid foot massager, like, she's making bad noise. Like,
There's a match of like noisy chihuahua in the back and shit.
matter of fact, if you drop some more tokens, I'm gonna get nasty and add some Epsom salt.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
You're about to see some
Now we
bubbles.
really soaking.
Yo, I'm gonna wiggle my toes for 5 more tokens.
Okay. You know, I don't usually act like this. I'm feeling naughty. I might put a gel pad in my shoes.
Oh.
I'm like, oh yeah, get that orthopedic sole, you nasty bitch. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm typing. I was like, yo.
Shit is at CVS like doing the fucking little Dr. Scholl's testing machine.
Yeah,
like,
like,
yo,
yeah.
yo, but test my.
I'm testing my
Ooh,
feet.
Yo,
I'm finding my true shoe size. I was
yo,
like, ooh.
they say you gotta wear your socks, but I'm gonna take mine off. Oh my god.
I was like, oh, I love a bad bitch with bad arches.
Oh my god.
nice.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Oh, look at that callus on your big toes.
Ooh, that's
so,
hot.
So hot.
That's hot. Oh, show us more of the varicose veins, man. You need that. They should do OnlyFans, but it's just like for real niggas.
There's a fetish. Yeah, true.
So like you could like watch niggas load guns.
Yo. Cut dope and shit. Like, you
Be like, yo, what's
bag
up?
up.
Yo, what's up? I stole my girl's car. Like,
Yo.
about to go see this other bitch in the projects. You want to watch?
Yo,
Yo, come through.
y'all can't watch me smash though. That's extra.
Yo, welcome to my 8-hour streaming OnlyFans. Me and Miro, we going to the studio to drop a verse. It's just us smoking and like the beat playing over and over and over. I'm like, yo,
See what another thing like.
yo.
Cruise on the block. Spiders man hot.
I like that. Put that in there. Like, what? Yo. Shit. My bread ain't sesame. Don't try to play me like Bert and Ernie. Yo, cause nigga, I'm not Barry Sanders. I'm more like Bernie. Ooh, you see that wordplay, my
That shit
nigga?
is like, ooh, nigga, what? Shit, Godzilla challenges his dick.
Oh shit, we gotta go. My girl need her car back.
Oh shit, no, hurry up. Hop in the Malibu.
I pull up to her job at UPS. She's mad tight. Like,
With the little brown shorts
Yeah.
on, like, motherfucker.
nigga, you an hour late. I was like, yo, traffic. Why's Miro in the car? Cause
Yo, I was begging for change on the highway.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was just trying to make ends
Why y'all
meet.
smell like weed? There was a gust of
Yo,
wind.
we hit a skunk. We hit a skunk.
Yeah, Miro tried to help it and it sprayed us.
It sprayed us.
sprayed
Matt
us.
OD like crazy.
Yeah. Also, it's not a good time to mention this, but like your car need gas.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Like for real.
Yeah. Miro, you hungry? She gonna take us to get fast food.
Oh, it's lit.
She be driving, man.
Yo, let me get a double quarter pounder with cheese.
Nice. You got that, boo? I'll pay you
throw
back
some
later.
bacon, and a Big Mac, and yo, they doing a Shamrock shake?
I think they could order
Let
off
me
the
get two
menu.
of them shits. Yeah, fuck that. Yo, make me a
don't,
Shamrock shake. Suck my dick.
don't worry, babe. I'm gonna cash app you. If you gotta cash app your girl, like
She's roll her eyes like, yeah, shy, whatever,
send
nigga.
cash app and shit. But you gotta send the cash app and send it, have it mad nasty in the memo. You'd be like, Jesus sent $100 for that pussy.
Yeah.
With the cat emoji.
Because this should be yanking.
You should be yanking. 'Cause that's for that wet and with the wet emojis. They're like, you sent this. This is your dog sitter. You sent this to me accidentally. I'm
Sorry.
like, oh shit, sorry.
Sorry.
It's true though. Oh, so shout out to the Knicks.
Oh, yeah.
Because the Knicks have gotten Spike Lee to turn his back on them with their terrible treatment. We are now officially the biggest fans of the Knicks in New York City.
So
So we're next.
put us up.
We're like it's like when the head of Al Qaeda gets killed in a bomb strike. We're next. We're next to go.
And it's wild. You know what's wild? Spike actually has, like, we're from the Bronx. We have absolutely no reason to be Nets fans.
Shout out to the Bronx.
You know what I'm saying? All day, If it wasn't for the Bronx, the shit would not be going on. That's where we from. Uptown, baby.
Uptown.
You know what I'm
Uptown. We for the crown.
There's no way we would ever, like, I mean, like, geographically speaking. Not like, yo, we're popping speaking. Like, regular Jesus, regular Maryland, the Bronx.
100%.
We would never be Nets fans.
You know what? I think what's gonna happen eventually, Knicks fans are gonna become like Brooklyn Dodger fans. Oof. Like, we're gonna still wear the colors and stuff, but we're not gonna fuck with the team at all. Because it's getting to the point, like, the team don't like us. You know what? The Knicks are a girl that we've had a crush on, and she's like, ew, nigga, get away from me.
Yeah, like,
Ew.
Yo, they're like, yo, can you, Vanessa, can you stand next to
Yeah.
in the class picture? She's
Ew.
like, why?
And you trying to be nice, and you be like her locker and shit. You be waiting for her outside her classroom and shit. And she's like, nigga, get away from me.
Yo, you got English now too?
But she still takes your money.
Yup.
She still takes your money.
Yup. When you, yo,
Ma, you want to go to Blimpies?
Yo,
I got you.
I got you.
I got you, yo.
Yo.
You want to go to the White Castles on
yo,
Westchester
I'm gonna get
Square?
a Mystic.
Mm-hmm. And she be ordering shit that normal chicks don't order. She be like, let me get the clam strips. I'm like, yo, I don't got clam strip money, Mom.
Wow, yo, them shits are $7.
Wow, damn.
I haven't even held $7.
I'm gonna have to rob the teacher. I'm gonna have to wait for the teacher to leave the room and go through her bag. If you stole from your teacher, you wild.
Yo, so that's how I knew the school I worked in was wild, because teachers got robbed all the time.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, you niggas lock your bags up. I'm like, you niggas stupid. I came in there and I used to put my shit in the locker like I was a kid. Like, niggas are like, yo, why you put your shit in the locker? I was like,
can't
you'll
trust
see.
these kids.
I'm like, these little niggas are grimy. I was like,
remember-
yo, what? They don't care. That part of your brain that it decides like, yo, this is a good idea, this is a bad idea. It's not fully developed until you're 20 something.
Yeah.
If you're fucking 11 and you need $10 and
getting that
$10 is sticking out of Dr. Feldman's fucking thing, nigga, I'm taking that $10. Feldman
Yo,
don't need it.
Shout out to IS 181. I remember these two girls was fighting, and like people broke up the fight. They were fighting in the schoolyard before school started. So you know, like that, you just think about it all day. You like, nah, I'm gonna finish this shit.
Yeah.
And one of the girls, it was like the 4th floor, and the girl was coming up the steps, and the other girl ran in the classroom, got a chair, and threw it at her.
Oof.
And she
Classic.
oh my god, she ended up having to get like a safety transfer or some shit like that. And I saw the whole shit. I was like, oh,
Yo.
I was like, oh, y'all different. Are we throwing chairs? Depending on your school, because sometimes you see there's two reactions in public school if someone throws a chair. It's either like, someone throws a chair and everyone's like, yo, or everyone starts throwing chairs.
Yeah, facts.
It's like, oh shit, we all fighting.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of the latter. Like when you in a class with 13 kids
Listen,
and no windows and they like, yo, fuck that. We gonna wild out. And
Fuck
it's just
that.
like you just the locks just comes over the PA like, yo,
wild out.
yo, Miss Jordan Steen pissing you off and you don't want to do the homework, nigga.
Throw a
Fuck
book at
that.
a teacher.
Wild out, yo. Niggas are throwing like old ass Reaganomics textbooks at fucking teachers and
Fucking
shit.
history books that say one day we'll reach the moon. You're like, yo, how old are these shits?
I'm like, how do I got a tag in this book?
They're like, yo. Chapter 13, America and the Problem of the Negro. You're like,
Yo,
I'm like, how?
what the fuck?
Slavery was a wonderful time for black people. You're like, whoa, 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 whoa. And then you look, it's like, this book was printed in 1936.
Like, yo, shit.
Printed by Asbestos Printer.
Yo.
I'm like, is this shit printed at Asbestos? They was like, yeah, that's how. Teacher's like, yeah, that's how the books used to be, bro. Yeah. What do you mean?
You know,
I've been teaching in the Bronx since when, white people were here.
What do you want?
What do you want? You know? You want to learn more about trigonometry? Oh no, I forgot you're colored. You can't retain the knowledge.
Yeah,
Like,
fucking weirdo.
I'm like, how long? And then you can tell other people, I'm like, oh, I think Miss Shapiro is racist. And then like, she's a nice teacher.
How
Why would you
racist?
call her racist?
How
Why
racist?
Why it's only,
Look at the honor roll right there. Honor roll 1919. That's me.
That's me. I've been here too.
I've been here forever. How can I be racist against my own neighborhood?
Also, how come it's only the Mullions and the taco eaters?
That's
that are
right.
Racist.
Yeah, huh? How
You're
about
like-
that? Yeah.
Like, the
Yeah.
who?
These guys come in here with mashed up bananas, and I'm the bad guy.
You know?
What kind of thing is that? You guys, is that even edible? What are you doing?
This kid comes into my class and he's like, play some Bad Bunny. And I was like, why is your rabbit misbehaving?
yeah, what-
Like,
what
come
is
on,
that?
Get that under control.
This kid, he comes in, he's like, I got fufu for lunch, and I'm like, you say that to me again, I'm gonna call your mother.
Okay.
You're not touching my fufu.
They're out here just smoking on the devil's grass.
That's right.
I can't see it.
Just
bro.
right across the street, like they don't even care. It's unbelievable. Ugh.
That is a good majority of New York City school teachers sound like that. They're either super old or super young, but because you were young at the time, you didn't realize they were super young, so you thought they were super old. Meanwhile, they're like 22. You're like, yo, they're old as shit.
They're old as fuck. Meanwhile, when they get off work, they go like sniff coke and shit. They go drink and get wild.
Skateboarding.
They go to Heartland Brewery because they're not from New York and shit. They just go there.
Wow. Rest in peace, Heartland Brewery, the one in the Empire State Building. How you got a bar on the ground floor of the Empire State Building and you go out of business? I guess the rent got too high. Also, Heartland Brewery, they made their own beer, which is just like...
All right.
Which is like...
All right. Hello. Relax. Yeah, you doing
so I
a
was
lot.
walking there, I'd be like, can I get a Heineken? And they were like...
would you like our version of Heineken?
I was like, no, I didn't ask for that.
No.
They're like, would you like a Heineken? I was like, oh, here we
God.
go.
Oh, God.
There we go. Heartland Brewery.
Would you like a home? Would you like a Homelandican?
Would you like a Schmo Garden? I was like, oh, okay.
God, fine, whatever.
Would you like a Bella?
Just give me everything. Something with an umlaut.
Don't. I hate places that have a lot of beers that you wouldn't drink, and they don't have a beer you would drink. They just got like mad IPAs. I'm like, how many fucking IPAs do you need, bro?
Yo, I hate. Yeah, I gotta keep it real. I hate IPAs.
I hate IPAs.
Like, I know that they get you ripped, but if I'm like, yo, if I'm just trying to get ripped, I'll just drink like a couple of slugs of Hennessy, and I'll be right there. I don't need to waste my time.
Beer. I don't fuck with IPAs at all.
It's like, yo, what is this?
That shit is
it
not
tastes
right.
like, it tastes like dirty water.
They taste like racism.
Yo, for real.
Like-
I'm like, how do you taste like liquid farts? How is that possible? I never thought I could taste a fart until I drank an IPA.
Do you remember in Williamsburg when that guy called us niggers?
Yeah.
That's what an IPA tastes like.
Yo,
Yes,
for real.
for real.
Yo, seriously.
Yep.
Put that in liquid form, and that is exactly what it
Exactly.
is. It's like, yo,
It's jarring.
It's just like it's jarring,
It stays
offensive.
with you all day.
Yeah, it's just like
heavy.
Ugh. You wanna talk to somebody about it immediately? Like, yo.
It doesn't even sound good. Like IPA. It sounds like IRS. Like, no.
You know what I'm saying?
No. Come on. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Then it tastes for like what India Pale Ale, and somehow that sounds racist. That sounds racist. I don't give a fuck. It sounds racist.
Did India say you can make pale ale?
You know what I'm saying? Is it from India?
People are gonna be like, Jesus, beer actually. I make beer and there's actually like preservative. Oh, from the East Indian Company traders in the 18th century
Okay.
in East India.
Okay, so it's actually Indian beer. So it started in India and then motherfuckers start.
Well, Indian
jumped on the
pale
wave.
ale has been used in the UK to describe high gravity beer since 1835. This has something to do with slavery.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
absolutely. Yeah, definitely.
I'm sorry. We didn't have IPAs in Africa.
Nah,
This is
not at all.
So it's not right. Cause think about it. If it was 1835, was there no white people making that beer?
Not at all.
Nope.
Not at
Nope.
all. That's some new shit.
Should we just go around and just go to every bar and destroy all their IPAs?
Yo.
You know, we're gonna go on bars and if IPAs, we're just gonna stand with a sign that says racist. And when people are drinking IPAs, they're like shame.
You know what I mean?
Shame.
Shame. If they got the shit on tap, just put like racist over the sticker and shit. Like, yo, oh, you drinking racist beer?
We're gonna name the victims of IPAs. Ruin everyone's brunch.
Yo.
IPAs.
If you drink IPA as a brunch, you're a savage. I just gotta go on the record because that shit got the high alcohol content.
Yeah, or you might be just trying to like balance out the night before.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Listen, a brunch when you're hungover, sometimes you gotta get that dog. You gotta get that hair of the dog, bro.
Yeah, it's true.
Sometimes the eggs and the bacon don't do it, bro.
Yeah. Sometimes you need a whiskey neat before you start fucking with the home fries.
Sometimes you gotta ask them, can I get a glass of vodka while I'm waiting for the table? I had a real rough night, bro.
Yeah, I thought it was the table shaking, but it's me.
It's me. Matter of fact, I don't even want to drink. Like that couple just got up and they left a glass or something, so I'll just slam that down.
I'll just slam it down. I'll be all right.
Man, you know what? I'm so hungry. I'll just eat what they left.
Yo, you just start screaming home fries into your mouth over the plate like, oh God, so
what do you call this? What's on the menu? It's so good.
Oh God,
so good. Honey, try this.
Yo,
it's
like it's garnish and leftover home fries. It's so
oh my
good.
God, this is great.
Oh God,
oh wow, it looks like the pancakes and the bacon mix, but beggars can't be choosy.
Who cares? I love cafeteria.
Oh,
yo, ow! No. I just feel like playing 90s house music. That's just like cafeteria.
Cafeteria, cafeteria, the landmark. Cafeteria is the new.
The new World Trade Center.
Yes. Right now, I'm playing in the cafeteria.
They're trying to fly the plane in there, but like, yo, we don't got no seats left. Sorry.
They're trying to kill Kimberly Waynes. Cafeteria.
Niggas fly in the cafeteria, and like he's like one of the Waynes and like the second point guard for the Brooklyn Nets and shit. The niggas
And just us having a lunch meeting because we couldn't find anywhere else to go, and we're there begrudgingly.
It's like Jesus Sparrow, Spencer Dinwiddie, and Margaret Cho passed away tragically when the fucking plane crashed.
Never
the
forget
cafeteria.
the tragic events at cafeteria. Teary eyes for Tyria.
Cafeteria. They changed the name and shit. Like, niggas put murals up on something and shit. Niggas go over them and shit, draw dicks on our faces and all that.
Niggas having a wild rally in Union Square, just holding plates of food, like holding bacon and eggs and shit. I want all of you just think about what your favorite meal at cafeteria was.
Man. Was it the mac and cheese?
Was it the plate? Was it the bucket of mussels? Niggas just crying on each other like their blue cheese salad.
Chicken waffles.
Next up, we have some words from Amanda Lepore. Oh man.
Yo.
Rest in peace to everyone that passed away at cafeteria.
Yo, R.I.P. my guys.
R.I.P.
You know
Every time I eat grits now, I'm gonna think of y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Word. Especially if I add shrimp.
That'd be $5 extra.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh,
Thank you, server. I feel. Yo, I don't know. So I'm at this weird like thing where when you think too much about something. Waiter, waitress, server. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I feel like server is just like serve me.
oh.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and it just feels like kind of disrespectful.
Yeah.
I don't know. Am I?
No, I use the medieval times term and I use wench.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wench, can I have my bill?
A little curveball. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they probably think you're fucking around and shit.
But if
so
you
they
do
laugh.
it, it doesn't matter about the gender. That's what's important. Because then you're just like.
Yeah.
Also, you got to give them the dad joke when they give you the bill. Be like, looks like I'm gonna have to wash dishes tonight. And then they roll their eyes. And they're like, it's a good joke. I say that every day. My father said that every time we went to Red Lobster. He was not joking. He really wanted to wash dishes. I was like, just relax.
No, they have a dishwasher, Dad. It's a machine now.
Listen, you got to use your hands. You got to feel the food on the plate.
No, it's a machine now, Dad. It just blasts the food off at 1,000 million degrees.
And I remember one time he made that joke, and my mother was like, "That's funny because he never washes the dishes at home." And I was like, "Ooh, this car ride home gonna be different." Ooh, whoa.
One of them like, I'm gonna fuck around and grab the steering wheel and scare the shit out of you niggas.
I was like, "Oh, these niggas fighting." I was like, "Oh, I see someone's gonna be having a hush-toned argument tonight in the basement."
Yo, my dad did that shit one time fucking around, and my mom is just like a wild, anxious person. So she's like driving across Bronx, and they were like chirping at each other and shit. And he was like, "Fuck out of here!" And he just grabbed the steering wheel and just like went like that, and the shit like swerved a little bit, and she was just like, "Yo, what the fuck?" Ah! And started freaking out. I was like, "Yo, that was mad mean, dog."
Sometimes you gotta do it. Sometimes you got, every now and then you gotta remind your mate, you'll kill us both.
Yo, I'll kill you. I'll end this shit right
I'll
now.
end this both.
I will Chris Benoit this whole shit.
Is-
You hit it?
Woo! Someone hit the Planet Fitness clank bell. Oh,
Yo,
wow.
R.I.P. wrestling legend.
You can't make a joke about someone and say RIP after that. It doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. You can't be like, rest in peace to the homie who I just slandered. Woo. Yeah, it's not. It's love. It's abusive, but it's love.
It's abusive love.
It's just like, yo,
It's like a Stevie B song, like a new joint.
it's love. It's abusive, but it's love. Don't feel love, not out on me. I was riding the train with you. Do 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 do. You never nodded forward. Silent nodding. Do 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 do. When I nod on top of you.
Sing it.
Freestyle. Because think about it. Freestyle. Free bass.
Free bass.
Right there.
Yeah.
It's right there, dog. Think about the name. Silent Morning. We can't find your
Silent
krills.
morning.
Yo.
Oh, shit.
When my crack pipe broke, I cried. Oh.
Yo.
Oh.
Yo.
So we covered freestyle. We covered Pinot.
Yo,
We covered.
did we cover Pinot? Like,
We talked about Pinot. We talked about something Pinot on this.
did we? I feel like we were Pinot adjacent, but we didn't
Pinot
go, like,
adjacent,
We didn't
yeah.
just like straight go into Pinot.
I think we did.
Okay,
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure we did.
Are we getting socio desensitized?
We're getting Susie timers. CCO desensitized. That's the PC term for it. Okay. Big Mama's losing her Sucio. Big Mama, your Sucio. I was like,
oh no! I don't want to watch Mercy 45 no more.
Oh no. I don't know. He watches X Hamster, but his heart ain't in it.
No,
His heart ain't in
he's
it.
just going through the motions.
He don't even get it up no more.
Nah,
I saw him the other day. He jerked off to something that was on page 1.
you know what? He ain't even searched.
His heart ain't even in it.
The sack fell straight off his dick.
He clicked on something that was brought up on random on the front page.
Boy, that boy was softer than some bread pudding.
And you know, it breaks my heart. He clicked on what was clearly an ad.
Oh no!
You hate to see that.
It said ad in the corner.
It's an ad.
He clicked the gift that showed the best parts of the scene.
Who does
It
that?
took him to Bang Bros to sign up. Why would he do
We're
that?
creating a nursing home for people who are losing their Sucio. All the nurses are like retired porn stars.
Which was that?
To work.
Yo, yo.
Just mad young niggas checking in like,
Yo,
yeah, I lost my Sucio.
Yeah, I'm old.
I'm
Niggas
old.
like taping their beards on, like, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, where's my walker? Oh,
Like, yo, sir.
I can barely pee.
Sir,
send
sir,
me to the Sarah J room.
Sir, that is that beard. I recognize you. You were in. That is your
No,
SantaCon
this
beard.
is my beard. I'm 78 years old.
No, that's a beard from
Call me
SantaCon.
Boomer.
There's vomit. There's vomit.
I listen. Watch. Look, I'm trying to pee. Nothing comes out.
It smells like Marlboro Lights. That's
No.
definitely a costume beard. Why is it around your ears?
Bro, come on, bro. Come on, all the nurses got the yeeks, bro. Come on, bro.
Oh, you just trying to get in and be a Sucio, bro? You just trying to be a Sucio, bro?
You know I'm a Sucio boy.
Yeah,
Come on,
let's-
bro.
let's
I'm not
get it,
trying to
bro.
pay for the OnlyFans
Bro,
right there.
bro, I'm sorry I did the whole security guy voice and things like that, bro, but that's how I got in here,
Bro, I'm waiting for Roxy Reynolds to bend over so I can put my nose in her butt.
fuck
Come on,
yeah.
bro.
Oh,
Let's
Roxy
go,
Reynolds,
bro.
It's a classic, bro.
Hey,
Fuck
come
yeah.
on, let's go.
Let's
All right. Here, put these pepperonis on my chest. Pretend they're leprosy.
Goddamn.
Just nasty. Just nasty all around.
Yeah.
Sucio. That's what this is.
You know what I'm saying?
That's all it is.
Oh, God.
Sucio.
Sucio.
If Sucio is dirty, then the Bible is soap.
It's soap, yeah.
Because the Bible will help you get clean.
That's right. Just after you beat your... Damn. Nah, that feels very wrong.
It feels weird.
Like you beat your meat and then you go read the Bible? Or like
What about-
any holy text?
What about if you beat your meat while reading the Bible?
Yo.
Listen, Song of Solomon. That shit is kind of
is
nasty.
wild erotic.
It's wild erotic and shit.
It's like, yo, Sarah did what?
They're like, yo. It was like she didn't have no breast. She was like a tower. I was like, yeah, talk that talk.
Talk that shit.
I was like, talk that shit, Solomon.
Yeah.
Talk that softcore erotic porn.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, they don't got no more about Sodom?
Nah.
Like, I'm trying to learn about that.
Nigga just beat his beat like, oh shit, this nigga's a lion pin. Oh shit. Oh wow.
Oh, shit, the whale swallowed the nigga whole?
Yo, that's
oh,
crazy,
shit,
yo.
yo, word. Yo,
Nigga turn down the volume on his Bible. Not trying to get caught.
The whale deep throat that nigga.
Hey Jonah, you've been a bad boy.
Yeah. Naughty. They got the underwater camera and shit. He's
Okay,
just like,
yo.
bloop, 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 in a Speedo and shit.
I'm sitting there, I'm like, wow, there's a lot of dialogue in this.
Wow.
Hope they get the smashing.
Whale just rubbing the dorsal fin on the dills like, yo, just suck the dick already. What the fuck you doing?
You gotta do that weird thing where you skip ahead in the porn. But then you gotta
Yeah.
skip a little bit back
tiny,
to where
yeah.
they just start fucking and we're talking.
Yeah.
So you get
I'm
the full
like,
story.
I don't want to see you sucking dick through the jeans. Hit it. Nah, 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 nah. There goes the problematic light.
Murderer. Some say Sucio. Oh.
That was on the weirdest soundtrack. Remember the movie that the soundtrack?
What movie was that? That was
The movie was called, I think, Pret-a-Porter.
Oh yeah, wow.
Or some shit like that. And it was like a wild ensemble comedy movie with like kind of like whack comedians like Chevy Chase and shit like that.
A little Aini Kamosi.
Yeah.
That was a damn. He had a joint.
It reached top 40,
Phew.
top in the charts in 1994 when life was different.
Did he use his money wisely or did he have a bad contract?
There's only two. Oh, you know what? The song has mad samples in it.
Oh,
So it couldn't go today. Wow, I didn't even know that. Shit.
damn.
Is he alive?
Did they clear them shits though?
Back then, I think it was made maybe right in that area where you could still maybe get away with not clearing them.
Oof.
But let's see what's he up to.
Because I know that shit is on like Jock Jams Volume something.
Well, Jock Jams, they haven't done a new Jock Jams in a while. They need to do a new one with like Pop Smoke and Bobby Shmurda and all
like
that
Future
shit.
and shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine you over here lifting weights to real sisters.
Or unless you're doing like Nick's Jock Jams and it's like Mace and who is it? Killer Priest.
Killer Priest.
Fucking Killer Army. Whatever rapper was big in 94, bro.
Yo, bro.
Yo,
we got the whole DITC on one album.
Nick fans, put your hands together for Tracy Lee. You're like, I'm like, wow.
You know we get down.
Welcome to Paula Perry bobblehead night. I'm like,
shit, yo.
I was like, none of these Knicks were born when she was rapping.
Yo, what the fuck?
What the fuck are y'all doing?
Yo, they don't even know who she is. They thought she was a concession stand.
Give it up for Taquita from the Wu-Tang album. I was like, nah, y'all niggas is
rainy day. Niggas was like, boo.
it's for my rainy days. Diamonds about these rainy days. I live the street life. I just got mad hot dogs. I'm
Like, yo, what the fuck? What is this shit, Up next, we have Hurricane G. Yo, that Knicks about to win the
Yo,
game,
cut that
yo.
bullshit, Red Man. Cut that bullshit. Cut that lie shit, Red Man. Cut that. Cause you know we party like every day.
Yo, word out.
Like, oh my God. Like, back to the game. The Knicks are down by 30. I'm like, Jesus. I see Julius Randle do a spin move that doesn't score, but I'm like,
oh, God damn it.
fuck.
Good job, good effort. And since you know it's the Garden, there's no downtime, so it's just
no
like, yo,
downtime.
free throws, you know what I mean? Heather Beach just run out of the court like, oh, Knicks, down, hit him with that funky stuff.
they're just firing firing mad stuff into the crowd and shit. Oh, I've been watching Nick Cage mad stressed with the blunt like, all right. These niggas
They
only
did beat the Rockets the other day. I was very surprised. I was
you know
like,
how
yo,
stressful
y'all
that
did
game
that.
was? I watched it after it came on. I watched the rebroadcast,
Yeah.
but I was so high I thought it was live.
Yeah, so you
it was like 1
extra
a.m.
hype?
and I'm like standing up like shit.
Yo, what's gonna
These niggas
happen?
I was like, yo, this last confession.
This shit is serious.
Yeah.
Yo, I watched this shit and it was like the first time that I was like, yo, RJ Barrett looks like a fucking NBA player.
He does. He was
like,
looking-
yo, he's dunking it
he was
on
looking
niggas.
good.
He's just like cutting his shit. Like,
They got good players, and that's the thing. Like that should have been what people should have been talking about. Is them beating Houston.
we got Mitchell Robinson. We got RJ Barrett. They cooked the Rockets. Like, yo, let's
And
go.
then Dolan was like, nah, fuck that. Hold my beer.
yeah.
Eeny, meeny, miny. Gotta go.
Yeah, get outta here.
Yeah, do the right
Beat
thing
it.
and get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, how about you go fight the power over there?
Yeah, think about that.
Yeah.
Because you've been Malcolm X'd out the Garden.
Yeah.
Take
That was
that.
a pun.
Yeah.
Taste my vape.
Okay. Inside man. Yeah, that's not you.
Yeah. More like outside man.
Yeah. I hired some writers. I got 40 more of these.
He's just heckling on the way out.
It's just like the Penguin in Batman Returns and shit. Like,
Would you like imagine owning a basketball team? Everyone that watches the basketball team hates you.
yo,
But you make mad money off the shit.
I'm like, yo, what is it? Pride?
It has to be at this point.
Like, yo,
He's about to sell the Forum in LA and make $200 million.
why?
and he has mad money already, so it's got to be pride.
Like, dog.
And then you would think the pride of like, what pride is if you like in the Garden and there's like chanting "sell the team"? That's a chant at you,
Yeah, nigga.
all right? That chant that's not at me.
No, I don't.
I'm not affected by
I'm
sell
not
the
part
team
owner.
chant,
Yeah, no,
okay?
I own zero.
I own nothing.
I own less than Jay-Z% of the Nets.
They were like, sell your hat. That's different. You know what I mean? Sell your jersey. I'm like, no, I like this.
chill.
I like this. But if it's sell your
It's the
team,
official shit. They got the stitch numbers. Stop.
we got to go to the Knick game. Next time they do sell your team, we got to go up to Dolan and be like, yo, they talking about you. Yo, my nigga.
You'd be like, no, they're not.
Yo, they're talking about you.
No, they're not.
and
Madison Square Garden. They're like, what? I'm like, who should sell the team? They're like, him.
This nigga right here.
I was like, could you be more specific? We being Dolan. I was like, could you be more specific? That nigga on your left. I was like, him? In the blazer with the green slacks. I'm like, oh, wow.
The Jumbotron.
I'm like, wow.
Yo, wow, wow.
I'm like,
See?
Dola, you see, they mean you.
Dog, like, do you need, like,
He's like,
do you need
they
another?
don't mean me.
Like, nah,
Yes,
dog.
we mean you. I'm like, fam, you guys. But then everyone's like, yo, Dolan sell the team. What's Dolan gonna go? Like Craigslist?
Right. Like,
Team for sale.
Team for sale.
Barely used.
Like, there's, like, probably, like,
There's 23 people that could probably buy the Knicks.
Yeah.
23 billionaires.
Like, yeah,
Jeff
seriously.
Bezos, Bloomberg. But then, like, everyone's like, why doesn't Jeff Bezos buy the Knicks? I was like, Jeff Bezos could buy Earth.
Why
what
would
fun
he-
would it
yeah.
be to buy the Knicks?
Yeah, it's like that would be like him buying a Tamagotchi.
Yeah, that's nothing. They don't got time to run the Knicks.
Get the fuck out of here.
And does Jeff Bezos even watch basketball? No, he's building
No.
robot dogs and
He don't care.
sending weak dick pics.
Come on, dog. That nigga's just fucking shooting up steroids, just doing what, allegedly.
Yeah, and then Bloomberg,
doing
forget it.
push-ups.
Bloomberg buys the Knicks. They gotta get stopped and frisked before each game.
Each game.
They just got mad small drinks.
Julius Randle?
Huh?
Is that your real name?
Yeah.
Up
You
against
the wall.
Yeah.
Up against
Put
the
your
wall.
stuff in the metal detector.
Oh.
they gotta go through the main entrance. Like, yo.
They're like,
empty your pockets.
We're Knicks. Why do we gotta go through
Now
the general?
empty your fucking pockets,
Wow.
pal.
Wow.
Empty your yeah, Julius Randle, right?
You hate to see it. The owner of the Knicks has lowered the hoops. Bloomberg's like, I want to dunk too.
Yeah.
The hoops are like 4 feet tall down.
Yeah. Put a trampoline there like they do with Phoenix Suns Gorilla guy. Yeah, why not?
Everyone got on the Knicks got to like bend down to dunk. Like, boo.
Yo, it's just trash. Yo, what the fuck?
Boo.
Adam Silver's like, we'll never do the NBA All-Star game in New York again.
Oh, Bloomberg. What's Bloomberg going to do now?
Waste more money. He'll find something to do with another billion.
Yeah.
I feel like he's bored.
But him running for election was like us going on Xbox and playing one game of Call of Duty. That's how meaningless it was.
It was,
to him.
and that's what I'm saying. It means the
means
fuck up.
nothing.
It means so much to so many people, but to him, it was just like,
He makes something like $104 million a day.
Yeah.
Just chilling. They say he made almost $2.9 billion while running for election.
man, you don't give a fuck.
That's
And he's gonna get some of that money back.
oh, he made all that money back already.
Like,
He good money. That's where the term good money comes from.
oh,
He good money.
like,
There's-
dog,
I'm good money. And then there's good money.
good, yeah. It's just, there's mad O's in that good.
Good money. That's laugh money. Let's go to the store, pick something up, and be like, ha! I take 10 of them.
You just take the whole rag and dump it in the shop in the cart. Like, yo, I'm good.
When I get rich like that, that's gonna be the flex. Like, one day I'm gonna be in Soho and it's gonna be raining, and I'm gonna have on sneakers that don't want to get wet. So I'm gonna go in Chanel and buy 2 Chanel purses and put them over my sneakers
feet?
because you can't do plastic bags
Flex.
anymore. And walk. It's a flex. You see it? You see the
Ultra
vision?
flex.
See
You
the
know what I'm
vision?
saying?
Yo,
Yo,
easy, easy. And then I'm gonna buy a new nose. Yeah.
These are my new nose.
Yo, I'm gonna just get one nostril, one big ass nostril.
Who did they say? Who are they coming for? I feel like they're coming for somebody.
Who they coming for? Black men, specifically.
Dr. Deason Johnson. This is not a rumor.
Feminism was created by Papa Smurf.
Teach these devils.
Feminism.
Teach these devils.
Was created by Papa Smurf.
Teach them.
Feminism
Teach these devils.
was created by Papa Smurf.
Why was he the only one with a beard?
Let me ask you something.
He was the only one allowed to be masculine.
Smurfette wore a white dress. Mm-hmm. Smurfette.
The bed wench.
Smurfette the bed wench wore a white dress. What does that symbolize to you, my
Preach,
brother?
preach.
Think about it.
Preach.
Okay?
Easy
Okay?
access.
They had to kill the Smurfs to get surf and turf.
That's right.
Okay? And the waiter's just like, yeah, we don't, this is IHOP,
right.
we don't have surf and turf.
That's right.
Well, brother, I would like to know, do you take expired coupons? Do you take expired coupons?
No. Well, actually, can I? Do you mind if I look at it?
No, you cannot look at my coupon because I left it at home.
Oh, so I can't. If you don't have the I have to scan it. So if you're
Niggas
not,
grab mad biscuits and run out. I was like, what? I was like, oh, niggas going in. I was like, that nigga preaching.
Yo, shit.
I was like, I need to find out more about this. Tell me more about the Red Lobster biscuit agenda.
The Red Lobster biscuit.
Let me ask you that. Why are they giving us biscuits, huh?
biscuits, biscuits,
Cheddar Bay?
Cheddar Bay biscuits.
Huh?
Best quit your bay.
Huh?
Quit your bay. Quit dating who you're dating.
Uh-huh.
Huh? Break it up.
Break it up. Break up your bay and the cheddar.
Break up the money from your boo.
Break up the money from your boo. Break up the black family,
You
brother.
see that?
Open
You
your
see-
third eye.
Should we just start the YouTube page now?
Yo, just do it. Just give a full hotel. Heel
hotel.
turn.
It's time for a heel turn though. Like we've been too friendly, too PC.
So yeah, we're too PC.
We need to go full alt, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Pepe Frog shit or like.
We gotta just make the wild Deez and Meryl meme, but our faces are Pepe the Frog.
Oh yeah.
I just found out Candace Owens, she's engaged. So I can't, imagine that if I started dating Candace Owens.
Yo, wow.
So it would be like,
wow.
I'd be like, boo, your hair.
Fam,
Boo, your hair.
I take better care of my hair than Candace Owens.
I'd be like, boo. Boo, it's called oil.
Just
Slide his
just
hair.
a look, just like try it.
Try it.
Try it. If you don't like it, you don't have to use
Puts
it.
our hair. It's like, it burns.
What is that?
It's fire.
Her hair sounds like a fucking. Her hair sounds like a fucking frat, bro. She's like, dude, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
This is bro.
Bro, we just do like water in Irish Spring, bro.
Fucking wildin', bro.
Dude, I use Swagger. I smell like Swagger. Old Spice Swagger.
Ooh, I remember a sad day. It was like probably second year of high school. Went to a little place called National Liquidators.
Oh,
Remember that back in the day? And they had
you
on
can get
sale.
a diesel coat and like a box of cereal.
They had on sale 4 for $10 bottles of Axe spray.
Oof.
Listen.
Listen,
bro.
you came off.
Bro, listen, bro.
You came off.
Listen, bro. I had the Bronx smelling like the ferry, bro.
Woo! You say
When you
your
got
hands
Axe,
off like, yo.
when you got Axe, you don't need deodorant. You're just
Nah.
like, shh,
Yo, I'm good.
shh. And everyone's like, no, you do need deodorant.
Oh, yeah, no.
You do.
Nah, you smell like ass.
Yeah. You smell like pastrami ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
They're like, you stink, nigga. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna use Cool Ice.
Nah, I'm good. Yeah. I smell like Cool Ice now. Yeah, no, nigga, you do not.
I was like, you know what? And for some reason, I feel like getting a button-up shirt, but not buttoning it up. You know, maybe I would get a herringbone chain.
Yeah, you gonna see
And
the taco
maybe I go to maybe I do Somali and I go to fucking Pasha. Yeah, bro, let's fucking go.
That's right.
I love some EDM. Play some dances. Let's fucking go.
Damn, remember Trance?
Trance, yes. Whoa. Also, fuck you for saying remember, as if it ever died.
Yeah.
Somewhere I'm
Trance is forever.
Somewhere I'm on Winamp listening to it streaming while on the computer. Like, yeah. Just looking up Game Genie codes. Yeah, Trance is different because it wasn't house.
Yeah.
It was like
I just remember listening to Trance and waiting for like the beat to drop because
And
like when
it
house
just never
music
came.
house music was always just like
a
some like
build up to something like
and then
Yeah.
and then you're like, oh shit, yeah, oh, then you rocking out. But this shit was just like
this is just like the music they play when niggas is hacking in movies. It's just mad spacious. It works if you're on wild drugs, but it don't work like that. If you
It's great for a Molly massage.
Oh, yeah.
but other than that, nah.
because if you get marijuana high, you just did a chance. You're just like, nah, this doesn't work.
This shit is
This
trash.
does not work. If you Molly high though, you in Hotel Chantel like,
Yo,
I got nipples.
yo,
That's fucking wild.
There's so many nerve endings.
That's
in my-
wild.
Oh my
That's wild.
god,
Everyone in this room is gonna die one day.
oh, that's so
But
sad.
then you also get like the wild happy feeling. You're like, but everyone in this room was born once.
yeah.
Everyone in this room has a birthday.
Hey.
Wow, it's your birthday. Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Yeah.
Hi, happy birthday to you.
Hey,
Wow.
you know what? Somebody's getting born right now.
That's crazy.
Right now.
I wish my name was Ian Rasha.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's such a cool name. Can I use it too?
And if you're the friend that's not high, you're like, yo, could you shut the fuck
Yo, y'all niggas
up,
shut
my
the
nigga?
fuck up,
Get
yo.
with this shit,
Damn,
bro.
Yo, I hate when these niggas do that shit,
This
yo.
nigga touching his face.
Oh my
Oh my
God,
god. That's how you get
bro.
coronavirus, nigga.
Fam.
All right.
Yo, I'm not going on the train with this nigga, bro.
Nah, this nigga walking
Yo, just
home.
put him on the train, y'all, and go.
This nigga, he doesn't know the code to his phone. I can't call him an Uber.
Oh my god,
This
yo.
nigga don't be cash apping at the end of the night, yo.
Oh my god, yo, fuck.
It's true. Sometimes you get too high to hang with your crew. When your face is feeling swollen. No.
And you add after hours. Doing the most.
Also, shout out to everyone that invites someone to after hours and there's a problem at the door.
Yo.
Like they walk in, no problem, but you come in a little later and they're like, "Yo, big man, you can't get in."
Yeah, my man.
I don't know what you're talking about. There's nothing here tonight.
Nah.
I'm like, nah, the gate.
This
I can hear the music.
No, there's a private establishment. Private.
You gotta call the person. Like, they're not letting me in. Hello?
Hello?
They're not.
Hello?
They're not. Go somewhere.
Go
quiet.
in the bathroom.
They're not letting
Go
me
in the
in.
bathroom.
They're not. I'll text you.
Go. Okay. That's
You text them and they don't get the text message till they come out. They're like, I had terrible reception. You just have to mad
so
tight.
bad.
Like, it's fucking bullshit.
Yo, it's a basement. Nigga's a dead spot. My bad.
like, what
Like,
you
yo,
want?
my
Like,
fault.
Should have been here. I told you to been here. But you came there with that person. It just took a little longer to park, and they just left you. You're literally like 3 minutes behind them. Like, nah, fuck that. I'm going in without them.
Yeah.
You're like,
Yo, fam, how high are you? God damn.
oh, little after hours. How old is too old to still be going to after hours? Is there
I feel like
is there a cutoff? Because CBB probably still goes after hours.
yeah, I feel like it all depends on like what the night ends like. If your night is like, yo, I am tremendously high and I need to smoke some weed to calm down.
Yeah.
You go to afties, or if you're one of those like, cause like the young niggas at the afties is like, yo, I'm a party animal.
Yeah.
The old heads at the afties is like, yo, I gotta chill because I gotta go to DMV in like 2 hours and clock in. You know what I'm saying? So if you fall into either of those categories, you good. So
That makes sense.
Afties is forever.
After is forever. That's good. Bernie Sanders is gonna run on next time.
Afties forever. Afties for everybody.
Everybody. No more thin lines.
No. Only Adidas shoelace, 80 shit rails, fat rails. Fat rails for the people.
No more stepped on coke.
No, nobody stepping on this coke. Nobody. I got it straight from the source. I got it from Colombia. I flew it in myself.
Hear me loud, hear me clear. Hassan, DK La Hookah.
Prende toe.
Renaissance. Choppy for everybody.
They're like, yo, chill.
Choppy for everybody.
Yo, not chill. Yo, we the Choppy Union, my nigga. You all dean. We trying to get our money. What's up?
Why in America does a girl on Dykeman need to start an OnlyFans to get hookah? It's not right.
That's right.
It's not right.
I support Bernie, yo, because he's supporting my rights to do OnlyFans, and y'all niggas be copying my content and putting it on streaming sites. That's fucked
4
up.
years ago, America had La Marina. We need to bring it back.
That's right. That's right. He's absolutely right. And let me reiterate. Piracy from OnlyFans is not a victimless crime. I'm a victim because I have 4 pair scrubs and I only got 3. The Tweety Bird one's got a hole.
A lot of women have become selfish. I say we do away with the one man, one woman relationship bullshit. We should have as many families as we want.
I'm like,
Oh, nah, you wildin'. Nah, this nigga wildin'. Nah, he don't got my vote. That's it.
that nigga spit.
Nah, he's OD. I was fucking with you with the OnlyFans shit, but nah.
Who's gonna be? Is that what you're running for president on? Like, embrace your secret family.
Yo, polygamy for everyone. Polyamory.
I'm like, Miro's bringing back traditional family values. And by family values, I mean value your secret family. Just mad people on the podium. We got family here, family here.
Yo.
You know how Trump has mad people in the back? It's just mad secret families.
Man, secret families. Yo, my value mean great value.
I'm like, they're saying you can't get any black voters. I was like, look at my black family.
Look at them.
Look at my American Samoa family.
Look at that.
Okay.
I got every flavor. I got flavors.
Got
what
them
do you
all.
need? I just opened my jacket. I got mad families. Like, yo, what you need? You got Italian.
That's what I was saying to my Israeli family.
I stand with you.
I stand with you. And then I went with my Palestinian family.
And I said free Palestine.
Free Palestine. I remember.
Gang.
Oh, secret families. That's the secret of elections. Secret
Yes,
families.
secret families.
Because then you got a secret family. They'll just vote for you regardless.
Oh, it's a secret family. Always asks trust.
Jay-Z should be allowed to have a secret family.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's go. Let's try to do a full episode with no Jay-Z slander.
No Jay-Z slander at all.
No. We're gonna go. Listen, we got a whole nother year
Yeah.
to work our way to this Rock Nation brunch. Hove.
You know,
You good.
You the Hove of the
good.
God.
He's Hove of the God.
Yo, I appreciate you putting your music back on Spotify, yo, because I couldn't pay for all the streaming services, because I still like to believe that I'm pop.
Wow.
I appreciate you.
Wow, Jay-Z, I'm a real fan. I still listen to all your stuff on cassette.
I got it. Yeah, no, I got it.
I do not listen to anything.
I got all your CDs that just don't work no more because they scratched up.
No, you're supposed to have ripped them.
Yeah, I know.
You're supposed to rip
I fucked
them.
up.
Remember that used to be a thing.
But I
You get a
had to-
CD, put it in,
Like,
rip it on iTunes. Yeah.
I didn't even do that. Yo, my man Mike was the only nigga in the hood that had the computer with the double.
Computers don't have CD-ROMs
Yeah,
anymore.
not even no more. He was doing this thing was doing Dreamcast games, CD, albums. I was like, yo, you got that work.
If you had a CDR burner, you used to be nice.
What? I was like, yo, the dudes that was hustling dope on the block was like, yo, what you doing?
Moving. You moving that shit. It's like, yo, my nigga, let me get two copies of Crazy Taxi.
Yo, word.
Ow.
He said, yo, let me get 2Ks, yo.
Yo, you got that?
Yo.
All right, hold on. Give me a marker so I can write on it what game it is.
Yeah, I got you.
Y2K.
Yo, boom.
By Jesus.
Yo, got you.
You always had to sign it.
Yeah,
Let
of
niggas
course.
know.
So niggas know.
Let niggas know.
It was the watermark. It's the original watermark.
Let niggas know. Oh, man.
Yeah.
It's the original watermark. Oh, whoop.
Oh, man. Rave power.
So who's left? It's Biden, Bernie.
Out.
Bloomberg's out.
It's Biden, Bernie, Klobuchar's out.
Warren's still in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She got no delegates, but she was like, fuck it, I'm thugging it out.
It's interesting. It's not really interesting.
Yeah, it's like
I wish someone would come in and like, what if Kamala came back like, I'm back, bitches.
I'm back, nigga. What up?
They'll be like, no, you dropped out. Once you drop out, you can't. Is it dropping out?
Is it like
tapping out?
baseball?
Yeah, is it like, you're out?
Once you're so they sub you out, like you can't come back in the game?
Which is weird. Which is very weird. But yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I think so.
Damn, that's corny. Because I feel like if Kamala came back, she could make a run.
Do you want her though? I don't know.
I'm just to make it like it's like American Idol. Like if like the contestants are boring, it's just like, oh, this shit is trash.
Why don't they
like Love Is Blind and
why
shit?
don't all
Imagine they
four
were
of
all
them run together as one big union cabinet candidate? Like,
true. Bill Russell,
That way
Bill
everyone-
Russell was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna be the player and the coach. What's up?"
yeah, that way everyone
Go
would be
check
happy.
me.
You'd be like, you let Bernie do insurance.
Yeah.
Olivia Warren do
Yo,
this.
you do this, you do this, you do that. It's like the Ninja Turtles.
Klobuchar makes people eat salads. with a
Yeah,
comb.
yeah.
I think she should have embraced that. She should have made her logo like
A comb.
the Statue of Liberty,
Like, yo.
eating something off a comb.
Yup. Like I'm gonna
Like, yo.
comb through the corruption. You know what I'm saying?
That nigga spitting.
You know what I'm saying?
I like that. That's a good one. That's good. That's it. This commercial presented by Meryl for President.
I don't even know what the fuck to do if I was president. I'll be calling niggas like, yo, I'll call you up like, yo, you know any niggas that know president shit?
Nah, nigga. I'll be like, let's reopen La Marina.
Yeah.
What else do we do?
First executive order, real Balamarin.
okay,
I got it. Boom, boom, boom. I got my notepad open. You got what else?
Lower the price of blunt wraps.
I bet.
Okay,
What
that
are
works.
they're like 17 right now, right?
Yeah,
That's
real,
just-
back
yeah,
to
woo.
one at a
Yeah.
time. What else? Make real hip hop mandatory. Replace
oh,
Pledge of
yeah.
Allegiance with real hip hop.
Yeah, hip hop.
Real hip hop.
Boom, boom, boom.
And
Who should I make the shit? Yo, you Secretary Wheat.
oh, okay, thank you.
Boom.
I'm Secretary of Weed. P.O. is Secretary of Commerce.
Boom.
And let me see.
shit. We don't need that many secretaries.
Nah, we don't need that many secretaries.
Yeah.
We're good.
Yeah.
We're good on that.
Tom Victoria got the rest.
Janice Griffiths, Secretary of Defense.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Boom.
And we're good.
We good. We straight. That's
All right,
it.
cool.
Fine.
You out? Let's go get some drinks.
Fine.
Niggas went mad. They're like, what about the situation in Croatia? I said, well, let's go get some drinks.
We getting drinks.
We out of there. We
Yo,
off
my
this
man.
president shit.
Tom, happy hour.
Will we just be Trump again? Trump is like,
Before engineering.
you think I was so bad?
Yeah, look at these two
We'd
fools.
be such bad presidents. Everyone's like, I miss Trump. It was like, it was like, yo, remember when Trump used to run in? He's on Ellen doing the wobble and shit. Like, remember? I was like, give it up for our greatest president ever, Donald Trump. He just comes out like, yo.
Hey, what's good?
Yo.
What's good? I believe that. So, Donnie,
Trump, what are you up to? I just started a new TikTok channel.
oh wow, that's amazing. So, what are you listening to nowadays?
Little Baby album slaps. I fuck with that.
Wow. Okay, cool. That's
You know?
amazing.
He's gonna be rebranded as like a lovable uncle. Everything. Like, oh, it's like memes about Trump.
He's like, you know what? I made some mistakes in my life.
I've learned. I've come around.
Learned. Sorry to the Central Park 5. Sorry to every person of color on the planet. And sorry to every citizen that ever stepped foot in the United States. I apologize. Like Day said in Next Friday, play I fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is.
He's like, oh, no.
The whole audience is like, oh. Then he's on Wendy Williams and shit. She's like,
He's like, oh. You got to move past. You cannot bring up old stuff.
That's right, Wendy. I'm looking to the future.
I'm leaving the past in the back, in behind.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm working on some stuff with Tyler Perry now. You know, just trying to turn over a new leaf. You know.
Welcome to the 2007 BET Awards, hosted by Donald Trump.
Yo.
Yeah. He's like, woo!
Yeah, what's poppin'? What's poppin'?
Yo,
What's
fuck with you,
poppin'?
Trump. Yo, my nigga.
Yo, look at
Trump.
me. Yo, shout out to all the African Americans.
Yeah, woo! We love you. 4 more years.
Yo.
4 more years.
Yeah.
4 more years.
Unfortunately, I tried to do it. Couldn't do it. But we'll win. Well, you know what's going to happen tonight? You're going to be entertained.
Yeah.
Bigly.
Yeah, give it up for Trump. Woo!
Yo, I'm going to hit them folks one time.
Woo!
Ah.
He brings out R. Kelly.
Oh, wow. Listen, he believed he could fly.
Everyone's at home like, damn.
This don't feel right. This don't feel right. This don't feel right.
Don't feel right at all.
At all.
At all. Like, R. Kelly's still making bad music. He's like, yeah, I did those things.
Yeah.
And I don't feel bad about them. Everyone's like, oh, this shit slap.
Yo, this shit is fire.
Fire.
Yo.
Yeah.
We'd like to introduce our next presenter, presenting the Vanguard Award. Give it up for Sean King.
Sean King and Roman Polanski giving R. Kelly an award. I'm like, this is a fucking problematic award show.
Oh, goddamn.
Wow. Goddamn.
In memoriam, Jeffrey Epstein, Louis C.K.
Oh, wow. Wow.
No.
Going to hell in a handbasket.
In a handbasket that's on fire.
Oh, man.
With gasoline draws on.
Gasoline draws, how would that even work?
Yeah. Gasoline is a liquid. You can't
Right.
you can't solve
I guess
gasoline.
you would have to freeze them. Like,
Oh yeah. Can you? Does gas freeze?
has to. Everything freezes, right? Except for my love of hip hop.
Yo, it always remains.
Hip hop, real hip hop. Yeah, it can freeze, but it has to get down to like, and for some gas, it has to get down to negative 200.
God damn.
If you,
On my heart.
That's how low my heart goes after dealing with these hoes.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? I got an ice box where my heart used to be. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Ma, you fucking bitch, turn up the thermostat.
You fucking cunt.
We're trying to get right down here. It's fucking freezing. I'm not turning up the thermostat.
Yeah.
Are you down there with Miro?
Yeah. You just want to.
Are you a Miro? Are you a Miro of freezing gasoline down there? I know what that means.
Yeah, I know what you're doing. You're going to hell with gasoline drawers on. I'm not allowing it. No.
Enough of this. I've had enough of this, Michael Anthony. Stop freezing my gas.
Yeah. It was bad enough when you wanted the heat up so you could find the vein.
I hate that. I hate what you.
Terrible.
Can't believe you've done this. Remember my little sweet pea. Then they have
Shut up, bitch.
They got the picture of him as a choir boy. That's only if your kid is like white, you got to show the picture of him as a choir boy to win our hearts over.
Oh yeah.
This was before he started messing with that stuff.
He was a Boy Scout.
Oh my God.
He had so many badges.
He used to love being in the bell choir.
Yeah. This shows mom with like his little sash. Like this one was fishing. This one was the time he ran away from a bear.
I just missed my little sweetheart.
But meanwhile, if you met the person, he's like, "Yeah, what the fuck you looking at, nigga?"
Yeah.
I'm like, "What?
Yo.
You can't use that." Oh, we are on the ferry. Oh yeah, he's allowed.
Oh, yeah,
it's international
damn.
waters.
Oh
Sorry.
shit, yeah, damn.
Damn.
Fuck.
Hate to see that.
I gotta wait to fuck you up.
Yeah.
Damn.
You can't be fighting on a boat. Well, you can't fight on a boat. I was about to be like, you can't be fighting on the boat, and I know like everyone in Staten Island's like, yes, you can, bro.
Yes, you can.
You can fight whenever, bro.
I'm surprised
There's
that-
like chicks from Staten Island. Like, yeah, you can fucking fight whenever you want, bro.
Yeah, bro. I'm surprised with the inhabitants of Staten Island that nobody has gotten thrown overboard the Staten Island ferry and it's been like big news. Because I never heard of like a big news case of somebody. I remember when it crashed and that people died, but I never remember being like, yo, these motherfuckers were beefing and they got thrown overboard at the Staten Island ferry.
Wow. The Staten Island ferry crashed in 2003?
Yep.
How many people do you think died?
I think it was like 27?
10.
10.
Wow.
Damn.
God damn. And also the guy that crashed the ferry, he went home and tried to kill himself by shooting himself in the head with a BB gun.
Oh, wow.
You know those Staten Island cops is fucking cooking him. this fucking guy tried to. Oh wow, big man, you tried to shoot yourself with a BB gun.
Hey, pal.
Hey,
Hey, pal.
this is what you're aiming for? Hey, Lou, he tried to take himself out with an airsoft.
Yeah.
That's why it's called airsoft, you dick.
Yeah, you fucking jerk.
Look at
Soft
you,
like
now
your
you-
fucking piece of deal.
I just beat it out your head.
Fucking moron.
You better swear to God my Guma wasn't on that ferry.
Hey, asshole.
What's going on?
Look at me. Look over here.
Yeah, look at him.
Look over here.
Look at him.
Yeah. That eye is a little floaty there, pal.
Yeah.
I'm not letting you drive the fucking squad car.
How you gonna try to kill yourself with a BB gun?
Yo.
All you gotta do is just be like, ow!
Ow!
That
Ow!
stings.
Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow!
Even better question, how the fuck you crash a ferry?
Fam, you gotta be really like yo.
Like
fam.
land don't just creep up on you like out of nowhere.
That's plastic. That's plastic bottle vodka shit. like yo.
You better stop your slander of winter nights. All right?
Like yo, dog.
In this house we drink Georgie.
Remember the Blue Georgie? Ugh.
Remember any of the Georgies?
Oh.
Remember going to the liquor store and all the other vodkas was in glass bottles and Georgie was like, hey bro,
Yo.
you want a plastic bottle?
Yo, what's up, bro?
If I'm a man on the move like
The
you.
bottle of Georgie open the door for you when you walk in the liquor store?
bro?
Yo, it's good, bro.
Bro, can I get a quarter so I can buy myself? I'm like, ew.
Ew.
I remember when I first started
You
drinking.
smell like a gas station.
I remember when I first started drinking in Manhattan, I didn't know what well liquor was. And they'd be like, open bar, well liquor. And I was like, oh, well. And I was like, no, that's not what it means.
You will be unwell after you drink the shit.
I was like, you just poured my drink and I didn't hear any glass. It was like, yeah. It's like a wild crinkly cup, like,
Nigga just stick his hand in this.
Like,
Like, yo, here, nigga.
the lady was just scooping vodka with her hand, like,
Yips.
just stirred with her finger. I was like, that's nasty, but it is open bar.
Yeah, she take the shit out of her Starbucks and stir it when you drink
She
with
takes
it.
a mad sip, like, yeah, this is right.
Yeah, this is all right.
This is all right. She's like, oh, I forgot the sour mix, and she spits it in. Like, and I'm like, it's still better than Sparks.
Yo, Sparks made no attempt to make this shit taste any type of good.
No.
They were just like, yo, who cares? It's beer, nigga, with like
Was it
cocaine.
beer?
It was malt liquor.
Oh, Jesus.
They didn't even have. They had the audacity.
I don't know anyone who
They
ever
didn't-
bought Sparks.
No.
'Cause I just remember there was all those parties in New York.
They
It
were
was
all
like-
sponsored by
they were
Sparks.
Sponsored by Sparks. And you get inside. He was like, yo, can I get like a Heineken? There was like, it's just Sparks, nigga. You're like,
Oh shit!
like oh,
Fuck
man. Damn.
I
I
guess
gotta go walk all the way back to the 2nd Avenue F train stop. Damn.
you better than me because I was just like, fuck it. I guess my heart is gonna burst while I'm drunk.
I remember I went to one event
I was
and I
pinch my
remember
nose.
it was Questlove was DJing and it was unlimited champagne and Red Bull. Nigga.
What?
Why
would they do that?
All I remember was doing mad pull-ups on the train bar on the way home at like 5 a.m. And everyone stared at me like, this thing is wildin'. I was like, I'm getting fit, bro. Only 500 left to go.
Yo, stop.
Oh, man.
Yo, no.
Jesus.
Champagne and Red Bull. God damn.
Champagne and Red
I'm
Bull.
drinking champs and Red Bull on this extreme yak fool.
It's throwback.
Yo.
It's throwback.
You know what I'm saying?
Throw it back. The way we're going to throw it back because it's been episode 192.
Two.
Oh, so shout out to 192, which is the correct high quality audio for a good ripped MP3.
That's right. Good gigahertz.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Don't be playing that 128 shit.
That's right. No.
Play that in the club, it sounds terrible.
She's a dub.
All right? Hassan knows what I'm talking about. He
Yeah,
knows
that's
the
right.
vibes.
You know what I'm saying?
You bring Hassan a MP3, he's like,
He's nodding sagely.
did you use MP3 to YouTube this? Is that what? You just ripped it from YouTube? Because the sound quality's off.
Wow.
Wow. You expect me to play this shit? You playing in the club, this shit like, the person's like, it's not that bad.
I can kind of hear
Adjust the treble. Yo, it's my boy, these nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go. Hooray! So, but I might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, 1994, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC Loco, Gunga P, put up for 40. Which is shorty. Yeah, right from your face, dog.
Say something.
I was like, yo, you know this bitch? Yeah?
You don't know now.
Okay, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
No.
Sometimes I like to get in the Uber pool with like a fake mustache and sit there. And then when people start to talk to me, I'll go, ha! It's Jesus! I told you not to talk to me. And I'll run out as the car's moving.
Took a roll.
The driver's like, you're still getting charged. I was like, I'm going to cancel.
Fuck you.
The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss. This is Rossi and the Jamaican Jew.
Oh.
Jermaine Avocado to his young father goes to Mufasa, young Chakuunari, Dr. Kuunari, a.k.a. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Low K. Three Phone Jones, Zizek Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Demon Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute.
Oh.
Dilute the third time.
Yeah, 3 times.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Yeah. DJ Woola, a.k.a. listening to Washed FM. Tonight, we got a very washed group. If you guys remember Ice Cube, he hung with 3 niggas.
Oh, shit.
Little gorillas. The Lynch Mob. We're Ice Cube's original crew.
Yeah.
All our white fans are really into hip hop are so amped right now. They're like, yo. I was once in the car with this white guy. And,
There's a hip hop nerd right now that's like, it's a lynch mob.
It's Lynch Mob.
Yeah.
The Lynch Mob.
Yeah, it's a lynch mob.
I was once in the
With an
car
E.
with a white guy, and he just played Ice Cube's Cave Bitch. And I was like, he was like, that's real hip hop, bro. And I was like, wow.
Wow.
I was like, you're going to end up being a professor.
You feel
All right.
comfortable?
The Curry Gold, Neil Spicer, Jamal Hash Brown, the Bronx City and Dion, Ray Nephew Marino, you can't contain the human meme, where to ja. Young Aaron, the racing provocateur, Hedwig Bedkus, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human word is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decatin, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris says Chestnut, Morris says, yeah. Chestnut. Ew, chestnut. Ew.
Oh, yeah.
Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. Yeah. Used to suppress, but your boy never is.
God
I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. We may send 5 cents, 10 cents, $1 for this small change. Give me We gotta adjust that for inflation, so it should be like $10, $20,
Yo.
$50,
Yo.
$100.
Give me coronavirus.
The OnlyFans update. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money.
Give me.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one top left.
Yo, man, this is Marv.
Yeah. Sure was the holy cow. This is top points. All I do is count checks and check off.
That's right.
We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda and it's me, Sunny D. I'm hiding behind the baking soda.
That's right.
Yeah. David
You know the
Yerman.
fucking vibes.
These expensive, these is bread bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Smokino, Andrew, Coonini. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down upon me, charge with the wireless charger.
No wireless. Let's go.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip, Sayasa, shout out to the 11791. All right.
Yeah.
10 years straight, #1 in Long Island on fucking lacrosse, bro.
That's right.
All right.
Let him know.
You know what I'm saying?
Sea wolves.
Yeah. That's right.
Let's go.
And I finger pop Tina in the quiet car.
That's
How you
right.
feel?
Yeah.
Do what I want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
John Tavares was there.
Yeah. Real hip hop.
Yeah.
AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket round. Me and man's dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Be a real shame if I stole some of these maxi pads. Oh, they're free?
No.
Okay.
Oh, never
I respect the agency. But stopping that street with bad breezes like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me.
Yeah.
The black Asiatic addict who crick your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, the sheep mask killer. The black Zach Morris, support Morris, young KPI from my marketing people. Your man, Personal Jesus, aka Problematic Bay. It's not a secret family. If you suffocate them.
Ooh, okay. Okay, all right, GIF.
No, don't kill your secret family.
No, they're cool. They're cool. They're
cool. They're secret.
They're just living in life.
That's
you know
right.
what I'm saying?
Living in life like it's hidden. Living
That's
in
right.
life like it's hidden.
Whoa. No shit.
Up next.
It's your boy, the Camaro, a.k.a. motherfucking the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve God, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Scarlet to jump the curve, hit your motherfucking percentage, keep it moving, ask me if I give a fuck, I do not. I know fucking baby, I fucking bang, my nigga. Don't need to check the guest list, I am the guest list. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, I don't have my ID, nigga. No, I'm not stepping to the fucking side when you check, motherfucker. Yo, shoot this nigga Durag on, fuck that. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. CC Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Catch me hitting that Puffco Peak in the basement. You know what I'm saying? Get real trippy. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods smoke a 3 grand blunt. They hit you with this 9-hour nigga pow. AKA get into the smother. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just playing through. AKA get into some money in the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA, you know what I'm saying? I bought my kids the Knicks. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. And I made Bloomberg drop out the race. You know what I'm saying? So you would not have to be president when my kids was growing up.
Thank you, Mero.
You know what I'm saying? You're welcome. You're welcome, America. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Bitch Smack Me on board. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. D.A. Merdana. A.K.A. Dickie and Big Matumbo. This pussy belongs to me now. This pussy don't belong to you. Actually, it does belong to you, my queen. I apologize. I respect your agency and or will only enter upon your consent. Thank you. AKA Paulo Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican that attacked me daddy, you know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it, don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking manager when he comes out and he's like, oh my God, it's a Kid Mero from the Showtime show, DJ Mero, I love you so much, you guys are awesome, you're so hilarious, it's like, you cover politics and you make me feel great about this terrible world.
How do you guys just do it off the head like that?
It's so amazing. It's like, no, it's like, oh, and the writer's room, oh my God, I'm in love. I love you guys. So you're the best. Yeah. That's your manager, nigga. What's up?
Wow.
Put the motherfucking wires in the bag and
Put
keep
the
it
fucking
moving.
beat on.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. You know what I'm saying? Got to do. You know what I'm saying? Before you get fired for Best Buy, stupid. I'm out. Holla. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. So Zanny. Wow. Let me black out. You know what I'm saying? AKA Light No Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your that you're broke as
This thing don't got 5?
Wow. They about to make $5 coins, bro, due to inflation.
Bloomberg somewhere like, he doesn't have 5 million. Wow.
Million.
Brokey.
Broke boy. AKA Tom Brady, I got my balls deflated than Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? Tom Brady, I might be on a different team next year. You don't never know. Might leave the Patriots. Might be on the Giants. Might be the Chargers. You never know. Stay tuned. Balls still deflated. AKA, I feel that ass, you know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos with your consent, of course. You know what I'm saying? AKA little snoozy vert. First nigga to tap out on live, you know what I'm saying? Been doing it before all your favorite SoundCloud rappers were drinking cough syrup for fun. You know what I'm saying? AKA Fredo Messi, MVP of Gelato, AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. Oh my God. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
What? To smoke with me.
Where?
Whoa. At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Flagship. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the coronavirus, yo. We raw dog in the hookah.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? AKA
10 niggas on one mouthpiece.
That's right. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Nothing homoerotic about that.
Nothing at all.
Yo, my nigga, you left a little spit in there.
Yo,
I tasted
fuck it. Yo, it tastes like success. Yo,
Why does it taste like my girl?
Yo.
Niggas like,
AKA Ben Boston.
Yeah.
My hands are gifted. I created the coronavirus. It was a fatal mistake. I'm sorry.
Why would you do that?
I just gave a virus. We were having a party. It was a work function, and I gave the virus some beer. Next thing you know, he's talking crazy, and he's taking his shirt off, infecting the world. I'm so sorry. I apologize, but I will fix it as the head of HUD. Candy, get the strap. We about to clap these coronaviruses. AKA, I will be in Medicine Cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Lupo 25 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. Got your TT bagging up butt naked. AKA live from the corner of 174th and Townsend. Leaning. It's your boy, the East Tree Bus Stevie B, doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is bugging. And Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean. Because you know, the 4 train conductors don't give a fuck. They keep it moving, but you turn into a hamburger. You know what I'm saying? God damn it, mate. Every time I get to this part of the AKs, I get my niggas in a twist, mate.
Take it easy, mates. Take it easy, mates.
Damn it, mate. Oh, I have to tell you, every fucking week, mate, there's only 2 rock stars left. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, and I'm having tea time. But it means TT time because I'm eating your TT from behind. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'm at my princess, I'm never gonna fail. AKA, ballin' in Portland, smoking legal, it's Marmelo's Anthony.
For 3.
Bang!
Did you see that rumor that he might be coming back to next year?
Yo. Yeah.
You were excited and you're like,
Yeah. Yo, if you see me at Target higher than Blueberg on an Apple box, approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal, dog. You know what I'm saying? don't treat me like a mini Mike, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'll swipe your head clean off with this paw. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over, hopefully. I'm just trying to get this deposit, and you're not getting it back. Mr. Fun Fun, I'm gonna run to the van and get right. Take over for a second.
I mean, I know he dropped out, but I just want to say I'm still Yang Gang. So, any of you kids want to make $1,000? Because I mean, I'll just.
Whoa! Hey! We already got paid. Now let's get out of here. The van's running. Let's go. AKA, I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's hired for some fucking shit there, nigga. I don't even know how to pronounce this shit. I think it's Easy Off Oven Cleaner. Yeah, that's it. He's hired Easy Off Oven Cleaner. The shit got a skull and crossbones. I guess that means that the shit is super lit. So you know what I'm saying? So download that fucking single. You know what I'm saying? Hey, papi. Tú sabes lo que viene ahora. Hassan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que guau. Llegó el ejército FIFA, coño. No te hagas como huevo. Yo soy el fucking final, el último capítulo de la verdadera raza, coño, el motor de la máquina, coño. Yo. Vamos a ponernos serios de un pronto. Vamos a protestar la democracia en la República Dominicana, por favor. Porque todos estos tigres están aquí hablando mierda, loco. Que son de calle y vaina, pero son pariguayos que las pasaban abajo la falda de su mamá, loco. O sea, mientras yo estaba joseando las calles, mi amado, normalito. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Showtime. Shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Hassan que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Justin Mercado, el papi de la cámara, manos arriba. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la lady. Shout out Disos, bueno, la nota jamaquina número 1. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. la shout out la bodega, Dai, la más dura, la planta eléctrica. Y Vicky, la más dormilona. A.K.A. Hey, no more A.K.A. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de Defensa, tipo con engaños. A mí se me lo suelto. Pronto libertad mi mano friki. Que descanse pa mi mano César y mi Kumai. You know what I'm saying? Me quité ya. Peace.
Been episode 192, as always, brought to you live by Cash App.
That's
Coming
right.
to you live from the Jam Room.
Yo.
Be sure to check out the podcast. Be sure to check out our show, Jesus Mero on Showtime. Be sure to check out our book, God Level Knowledge. Just
right.
dropping April 14th.
You know what I'm saying?
Random House is a real book.
Yo.
And anything else we got to play? Be sure to check out the Bodega Tunes. Shout out to Cash App. Providing that illuminated culinary work for you right there. And
enjoy that.
wash your hands and avoid
Wash your
coronavirus.
hands. Word.
We out.
I'm saying holla.